Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the killer to the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, with Creole voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are the light with the guide in mind. For the people with the give we hearts, building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every story and every song. We are remind, we stand here we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, the victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice we sound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the killer to the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, with Creole voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are the light with the guide in mind. For the people with the give we hearts, building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every story and every song. We are remind, we stand here we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, the victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice we sound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the killer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, with Creole voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are the light with the guide in mind. For the people with the give we hearts, building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every story and every song. We are remind, we stand here we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, the victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice we sound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the killer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, with Creole voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are the light with the guide in mind. For the people with the give we hearts, building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every Tory and every song. We are remind, we stand a yard we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, with victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice resound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, we create a voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth, with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are not the light, with the guiding mind. For the people, we the give we hearts. Building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every Tory and every song. We are remind, we stand a yard we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, with victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice resound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, we create a voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth, with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are not the light, with the guiding mind. For the people, we the give we hearts. Building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth. We the sea champion for the youth. The nation we free, with every Tory and every song. We are remind, we stand a yard we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, with victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice resound.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah, yeah.
From France to saloon we rise, we create a voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth, with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are not the light, with the guiding mind. For the people, we the give we hearts. Building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics, color and the truth.
Alright, court case, see, court case, run away, court runs! Justice for you all. Also, we will get the rich, well, I'm not sure when they cry for justice, but then they go and say they don't get justice. Why is the poor, the one that will not get sababu, we no get couple, we no get anything for say then go use them for seduce or for make sure say the judge, the magistrate in yai, it look, the cut by them, plug. They're always the cry, we want justice. Look how it's like na bow. That's 16 years of age. Young lady, where 3 man them go only done with them. Yeah, then do them by force 3. From when they in a court, that lady done 18 years. Now they can't go 19 years. Stay now. They don't change justice or magistrate or how you call it, judge. Then they count order and instead don't come. They just depend that bahu business. Well, the one we fearful pass all. The one they now will be end up for do my man that this business with the young lady by force. Then they now the community. Then they work. Then then they bluff. Then they do all kind of things. Them now then say file the laws, file the camp, file the come out. So who's that really cry for justice? Who that will give you this justice now? Other people them say they need for cross boundary. They need for go beyond border and go find justice. Well, let me see what it's like. Inside the country, well, the one that way gets power, where in a position of trust, when then be and then they appoint, now then they sack. When they say, now we they appoint you, now we they sack you. Well, then get confidence in the justice system, the court system inside the country. We ask, you get the opposition say, we are not going to the court. Why? Because we not trust the court system. Listen, other sets of the opposition, again, they say, we don't want to court. Now, this same court they use for damage the opposition, we make we the people them the suffer writer. This is a program we had on YouTube and on Facebook, we name the freedom fighter. Fatima Bio say, in fact, in lawyer they don't write Koidu Holdings. And then Fatima just put up, see in court, Koidu Holdings, woo! So, we wait for see what they happen as the story unfold. As all this DB, progressives, Leone and them, same way so don't say, okay, it look like say, why is Fatima and the go now we own court? Let me jump back, let me go other side. Then they take the ECSL to the ECOWAS court for make them get justice for where ECSL now produce the complete presidential results. Please take note of that. Complete, I say complete, well done. Presidential results. In other words, AKA, we still look for the justice for the election. AKA, electoral justice. AKA, we don't agree because Mada be on an illegitimate president. AKA, Mada be on a thief man here in squad, then thief election. AKA, then they illegitimately and then they ravage the country. We don't see how the social media, how the mainstream media, where I say mainstream media. By the way, I want to say kudos, big up to Liberty Online TV. I love the way it look like saying that they're the only one inside the country for handle the issue of the day. What do I mean? The issue we get for the allegation against the first lady. I hear them deal with them and then deal with them serious one today. Then they look forward for see who that will come when they will talk to again. They invite person for like come stand in the side of the first lady. But we tell the program done, I'll be the wait for you, waiting the person they can say, but the person he look like say he tell us say Liberty, I'm sorry, but we go to court. We know they talk about anything there right now. So thanks very much, Liberty, at least. When I still inside the country, that's what I can tell you say. The one that way inside the country, not go ever tell like we. Everyone wants time for it on a big, smell all kind of thing. We just pull our mic and I go tell you say, after the 98.1 have been sabi, the Good Morning Freetown, the Good Morning Sierra Leone begin get momentum where them begin read unfiltered, messages them from the one the way the listeners them from 98.1. And then you find out that once the messages them begin censored, the tempo begin canon because some people begin feel like now they read this the message, now they read the message and begin the tempo they can down. So we see how Liberty they go right now. Then they really try to do as best as them possible. Hey, go there now, subscribe to them, follow them, and make sure say you always be part of the morning show because myself not part of them and that they watch them every other day. What we can do normally, we can take them, program them, and they bring and come up. Then things that they say, go watch them. We want them as well for develop because then they work under difficult circumstances. Well, we are not concerned about Liberty. Who's kind of relationship we get, who's kind of connection we get. We don't get nothing connects at the ear. Because as long as then they do the thing, we can thief the material, they may put an eye. Are you ready to say? We can thief the material, they may put an eye. Yes, because we find out that they do extremely well. So we can analyze because something and they know way for talk out. So when we don't listen, we analyze them. Not going to say, they will inside the program. Not wait for like and share the program. I'm in love with Liberty. I'm in love with the Liberty TV. And I like her so much. He like, you know, something and they una step with the watch with something and una can make you feel bad. The tell will talk something where they know una interest. I una like we now una the best. But the tell will touch out on side when una kutuku they we don't do bad. No, we not to the best. We don't try. Yeah, we had they don't make him bribe now. Every day then they bribe we. But by now I don't reach. Me Lamborghini one for the workout. The past Fatima in bikini. This type of program we had on YouTube and on Facebook. So before we go to anything, we get two people from the progressive we don't come inside the program for join we for make we actually talk about several things them inside the program this night. But at the same time, we go to go and calm. I mean, in the pond, out of the pond, in the pond. So for come first in the pond, let me welcome the two big man them. It's not Baba Alaba them. And they will be inside the program. So all right, so I will start the two na grandpa them. Okay, so let's see first what we get. Grandpa! Let's see what the answer. Grandpa! Okay, the one thing when I get it shape for answer because it say it don't shape fine in a young boy right now, a young girl and then the fall for her. Anyway, Grandpa, Imranti, welcome to the show. You might mute.
Unmute.
Grandpa, you might mute. Did you get me? Yes.
Yes, so I say a young at heart. How una they do? Well done. Una they keep the box heavyweight, and I'm really proud of you. Now. Well done. Keep doing what you're doing.
All right. Thank you very much, Grandpa. Thank you. All right, and then we get another grandpa inside the program. Well, you know, Jalo Jamboria. Yes. Oh, the man is inside the program. Okay. Then two people wake up at East in a salon. When they don't sit down for scatter, you're not going for sleep. But me, you know what we inside the program. This evening, for make we actually come and discuss several issues them, and they all two they come from different side them inside the program today. When I say different side them, then they come talk to we about the same issue, but the all man get in your work where they do. I mean, all man get in your work where they do. So inside the program, one more time, we get Boy Jamboya. Welcome to the show.
Yes, sir. Ramble them on a good evening. Ona can always say the world today belongs to the youth. But una get one sickness, now I make una they give up. We always there to una for guide una. The religious books then tell una say go in search of knowledge. If you see everything they go wrong today in Sierra Leone in the world now because of lack of. And today I am coming to talk to the people of Sierra Leone for them to understand that whatever is going on in Sierra Leone today is just nothing but hypes. Today we are going to look at the legal issues connected with this whole process from 2023 to now. And I want to show people and say there is a team of Sierra Leoneans. Me and Imran Toure are just representative. We are ready to take the Electoral Commission Sierra Leone to court.
Okay.
And we are going to ECOWAS court. Before we go before, let's answer why would they go to ECOWAS court?
Okay, so we actually come to that day for can begin talk about why waiting at the thing and other things inside the program, because we actually want to let people get them to the best of their ability. And nobody not for miss this one this net. Nobody, not for miss this one this net. So we they end up dead. Little bit for more of the people them come inside, whilst they can start the conversation, the ball for go on this net. Because this one look interesting. We want for see inside with them, inside they go, wait everything that happen. All of that inside the program for you this evening. But why should we wait? Why should we wait for see waiting that we get for B, waiting them people also get for inside the show this net, the court case, and who side we there? Waiting go actually come out from this court case. I want for say please like and share the program and make other people benefit from this particular program this night. Yeah. One more time, this same program we are on YouTube and on Facebook. I want to apologize in advance for tomorrow morning. and the program could rest, not go meet you. Yes, the program could rest, not go come to you tomorrow. The reason, because we get some other things then for handle. We get for handle some other things then we for make clear we as well push go before. Safo. Personally, you know, in terms of the program and all, it's not intended the way you go to, you know, forget yourself. Personal development as well, very much important. Okay, so they come quick one, we start the ball rolling. And later on, we come talk again about the news where we get this evening. The news we'll get this evening, as you can see the story they unfold. So now, I'll come back to you, Jalo Jamborian. Progressive,
Yes,
they go na courts, ECOWAS court, for the 2023, you know, election, especially the presidential election result, where una consider say the ECSL no produce them completely. We mean say them pull wetin they want and they left other one. So tell me about this. How una reach to this and wetin are the thing behind them?
Before I talk about the ECOWAS issue, let's do a short introduction of progressives. Progressives, the actual name, are Institute for Community Progress. We are a non-political partisan group. That means you the SLPPO, you the APCO, you the NGCO, whichever one of the 22 registered parties that you did in Sierra Leone, you are welcome to be a member if you put Sierra Leone first. Because what's in the happen now, we country between 2023 to now, we country in interest they at stake. And we see say, we country is being manipulated by few people belonging to few of the registered parties. We get 22 registered political parties in Sierra Leone. And until they are taken off the PPRC register, each of those parties have a right to participate and be heard. We are going to the ECOWAS court because citizens of Sierra Leone we don't attempt to forget the full results of the last elections published. And both of these citizens are renowned lawyers, Augustine Sengemara and lawyer Charles Magai. Their cases were kicked out of the court. So progressives, by law, can take the case to any other court. That is the first justification. Secondly, the Tripartite committee where they form is illegal and undemocratic. It now represents the 22 politically registered parties in Sierra Leone. I know some people will say, oh, well, some the party them, they don't declare for work with SLPP, for work with APC. Yes, they did that, but our constitution does not prescribe for coalition government. Countries then like Germany, like Scandinavian countries, you a single party, not a form government. It is prescribed in the constitutions of those countries. In Sierra Leone, it's first past the post who controls governance. So every party equally gets a right to be heard in any way concern the electoral and other systems in the country. To go and have a two-party arrangement is illegal. I am saying it and I'll prove it anywhere. And I know say we get lawyers them internationally, we're able to prove that. Why are we doing this? We are not doing this to overthrow a government. We are doing this to begin to restore sanity in Sierra Leone. Now, insanity of administration, now they make all the things that they go wrong in Sierra Leone. Then countries that will all around come, sit down so, people then they don't take the onus in the past for make the institute sanity. Some of them think they don't tell you in history, like Magna Carta in England. Somebody did something, or a group of people did something for direct the cause of sanity in society. Because a society will always get a level of sanity. Otherwise, everybody go they do as how we like. And when everybody they do as how we like, the law now they get power. The people now they get power. Now a few they get power. And that's exactly the situation we have in Sierra Leone. And if we allow this for continue, let we kiss elections goodbye in Sierra Leone. Because whatever process they get for do after now, not to elections. Now something what then they do for please themselves, then call our election. So we are going to the ECOWAS court. We don't prepare. We point them. We don't look at national laws. We don't look at international laws. And I want to bring one thing to the Sierra Leonean public. Any international law where the country don't sign or then pass them now the parliament of the country, a process we then call ratification, that law don't become part of the national law. The country is bound by that. And it is stated in the Constitution of Sierra Leone, Section 171C. I go repeat them. Section 171C clearly states, say, all international laws are binding on Sierra Leone. Added to that, part of the prescriptions or duty prescriptions of the office of the president clearly indicates, say, it should be fountain of honor and justice. That means as president, you are not a partisan person. You should be there to ensure justice. And what's in our justice? It gets several colors. But the main color in justice is when there is an election, that election has to be very transparent. It has to be clean. If anybody gets objections, let it be through a process of transparency. The APC, as a political party, could not have gone to the courts of Sierra Leone because the election itself was not transparent. The results were not there for them to go and contest. What we had broadcasted by Mohamed Kone was a summary of the results. And up to this date, we not get the results published. 2 lawyers don't got, they not get the results. So now we are taking it to the next level. And I want to assure Sierra Leone and say, when we go to ECOWAS, if we not get the results what we want, there are other courts we can go to. Because Sierra Leone is bound by the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights.
Okay. So, you know, this issue about court case is very, very complicating, somebody could say. But I'll bring you inside before I begin to ask the question. Imran, I'll bring you inside quickly. Please go continue with Usai Boy Jamboya, don't stop.
I would say I want to hear we say Bambulem in a cabo plenty kushetena. Pimami no sukuri nuto momonungo. I'm delighted that we are on your platform. One way seem for to do exploits for the people of Sierra Leone because it is now proven, say, the things that would happen in our country, if you want for a realm unadulterated, it is right that you come to Weird. And on behalf of the whole country, I want to say thank you, Taina.
Thank God.
What you know we talk about now, yeah? Road long take a junction. 20 years, not forever. We get a history in Sierra Leone where intellectual class and the political class, they lie and the people them. Reports they don't come out. The Afrobarometer, they can clear. say the most corrupt institutions in Sierra Leone now with judiciary and with parliament. Parliament, now they make the law. The judiciary, and then they interpret the law. Who side we go hide? Well, who side they make the law corrupt? Then the one that will interpret and corrupt. You see, the whole situation itself, the way it don't turn like now we country. They also do it to an extent that if they give you Agidi, you know the border, look, open the Agidi parcel, because Agidi they come inside parcel. You just they say to the person, say, I know the border, I know they look inside, they actually not go inside. People they not get hope, they not get faith in the system. Waiting we don't do, we organization, we don't sit down, take with them, scream all the things and we don't they happen in our country. We scream and like needle. We don't do extensive research. We don't find out for it and then they lie to the people. And because some man they talk say, oh, if you're not gonna cut head, you're not get nothing else for do. It's a lie. We get a lot for do, and all the things and what we do, then they hide them behind yard. We don't pull them all come up behind yard. We don't bring them Ghana the veranda. Waiting at anything there. Sierra Leone, as my colleagues say, get a lot of international laws that we don't ratify. Waiting they call ratify. We don't agree for let we apply them, and we don't law them. We don't become part of them group they are for make sure say good governance take place now we country. If we get election will be transparent. Waiting at the word called transparent. If I go explain them to the ordinary man, na Rukata, na Rubumbe, na Mesima, na Sembeun, transparency, na like when you put water na a bottle. If the bottle black, you know they see inside the bottle whether the water clean. But if the bottle na clear bottle, if you put water, if the water dirty, you go see the sediment. You go not say dirty. Transparency, that means to say anything we get for do with public, you get for do them in short way. It get for be clear to the people and say you follow the rules. Everything is done cleanly. So nobody no will get doubt. Say, you say na tampon and pay we for this work what we do. But you not pull the tampon. You just say we say na tampon. What's in your pocket empty? Because you not be empty your pocket, you be the cut the money inside your pocket. Pull all thing at the table, let all man see. Say na the right money then pay them. Then una can divide now amongst yourself. So all man go get confidence in your leadership. What as I say, we don't ratify them law there. Nobody not talk about them law there. We get institutions then we don't feel. The one them where they make the laws, the one them where they interpret the laws, and the press we're supposed to be free, where at least then they forbid the dog them where they back. Say whoa, whoa, whoa. They're not even. Then some join pan this club. Look at the things that when they happen. For the first time that the history of Sierra Leone, we know that at the court clerk. In those days, nobody know that word court clerk because they are administrators. They're not civil servants. They're not supposed to support any political party. They're supposed to be neutral. But this court clerk what we get, first time that we history. Now in the bluff, how in the rig, in the broke law, 50 fatter. We also get, for the first time in history, we get a man we then call Secretary to President. For being Secretary to President of Sierra Leone, by law, you supposed to be a civil servant, senior civil servant, permanent secretary or above. This man not ever work as a civil servant. They make him Secretary to President because he do criminality, they reward him. We all the watch, they see. The legal,
so you said this man not waiting?
You know, one day all civil servants work before
Hold
make
on.
you be.
You check that well, but that's not been the head of decentralization. Hello?
I don't know. I don't know. Make I not tell you lie.
Yeah, he was. At some point in Dr. Gaima, yeah, except if I missed the name, but yes, I've been the head of the decentralization secretariat. Now, EU building. Yep, go ahead, please.
I go check that.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. If I'm wrong, then I go come back and make a
Please.
disclaimer
Okay.
on that. Because we have to give people the right information.
Yeah, please.
So the president, as my brother saying, a fountain of honor and justice. What did I say? Justice. Then a person with just, person with fear. Where you transition into leadership, you're supposed to be leader for all. And it's so funny that constitution, they also, now section 40 somewhere, it tell we clearly say, now in day, for make sure say all them treaties there where we sign, we follow them like a fine-tooth comb. How come in all exercise its duties? We get all them ECOWAS treaty there. We get African Union treaties. We get other international UN treaties there where we ratify. On this issue, we've never used them. We never acted upon them. The law fraternity, they sleep except 2 lawyers them, where I will tell thank you, and I'm so proud of, where at least stood up for what is right. Then go to court, then chuck them out. So we don't exhaust the internal procedure. So now it is incumbent on us, where nobody know they do nothing, for let we go to ECOWAS, for let we go put this day, because ECOWAS self gets treaties them. We talk about transparency. We talk about how for conduct we self elections. All in one and then we breach them. And then they lie through their teeth. They tell we otherwise. And that's you know they will for do. And at the last stage then they will not reach. It's all a lie. It's all a lie. There is a lot we can do. And that's make we call upon all Sierra Leoneans. As my colleague talk now, this progressive group now one for every Sierra Leonean. We are gender neutral. We are political party neutral. We are tribally neutral. We are regionally neutral. We get only one color. The color is Sierra Leone. So anybody where Sierra Leone, they first, na in heart, in mind, and in soul, will they ask una for le, una join we? Because it's not about us. It's about we all. We all get for team up now and say, and we slogan is, we not agree. Mwen luma, susole. And that is the slogan. And then we all come together as Sierra Leoneans, because we know they talk plenty today, because we get them all in document, but Jalo go present the case where we get, make people and see them, make we not go pan boku, tete-a-tete, where unnecessary. We want to give the points them, where we don't research, where we prepare for give people in the reference, and even you yourself, I don't send them to you. So anybody wants them, then go get them. It is all being done.
Okay, let's come over to you, Mr. Jalo, Boye Jamboye. You know, the issue of court case, you know, kind of technical, complicating, and you need all of waiting you take, you know, for able to go forward with them. You know, this election case, for example, you just don't tell we say they not present the results, so I wanna for go to court. Now, you don't tell we say people that don't go to court. For example, Augustine, so Esembe Maga don't go to court, Chance Maga don't go to court, and then throw all of them out of the court. For example, Augustine and two in case out of the court say another day within the time frame. And the time frame we then give for contest any election are 7 days. Yeah, and if you can only go to international court, ECOWAS court, after where you go through, you know, the local court, and then you find out, you know, get justice. But if you not go to the local court within the specified, you know, time frame, the 7 days period where they give, then how una go to the international court on those grounds? Because the local court for them sees advantage by you first, before ever you go outside.
Okay, I go answer your question, sir. I make a begin say, today I'm going to talk to the people of Sierra Leone for them to begin to understand the value of knowledge.
Sorry, your voice a mature but a kind of day low, small bit.
Okay. Oh, wow. What is happening here? All right. Do you hear me clearly?
Perfect. Go ahead.
As I say, my previous statement said today, I'm going to get the people of Sierra Leone to understand the value of knowledge. I know they say I'm out of any ego, but I say I'm out of the awareness that Sierra Leoneans are being misled because they don't seek knowledge.
Okay.
I want to encourage you people, law begin find out. If you find out something you don't understand, ask somebody. You question where you put it right. But the fact that two Sierra Leoneans don't go na court na Sierra Leone, then throw them case out, justify every other Sierra Leonean for take a case outside Sierra Leone. Because the issue they deal with, it not concern Boy Jallo, it not concern Imran Touré, it not concern Sengbe Pierre, it not concern Augustine Senge Mara or Charles Magai. It concern Sierra Leone. And the Constitution of Sierra Leone is clear that sovereignty belongs to the people. Chapter 2, Section 2A. If a Sierra Leonean citizen has taken action and has not got the required result, another citizen get the right for do a follow-up. Are you with me?
Yes, we do with you. Go ahead, please.
The progressives, they take a case and we use the reference to the cases that were thrown out. Just like when they deal with cases in a court, then they use what they call precedents, not so?
Yep.
This is the way that we don't deal with when a similar case, then use and say this is not the precedents. Now we are using those two cases as justification for make we go to ECOWAS court. The Sierra Leone court say almost weeks, not so, or 7 days, not so.
7 days, wait.
Yes. ECOWAS court gets 3 years leverage, and we are still within that 3 years period. The 3 years period they expire in 2026. Okay? So we are going to use the cases of Augustine Sengemara and Charles Magai as reference points, as justification why we should go to the ECOWAS court. Also, there are other grounds that we can use.
So in as much as you try for make we understand fine, but the question still remain. Augustine go in a court after the 7 days windows. We make an illegitimate for actually contest the result. In no get case at all.
He was not there as a politician. He was there as a citizen, demanding the data based on the laws of Sierra Leone, as quoted in the Constitution, and also the freedom of information.
Good. Now I understand them better. So Augustine, in case na court, not to actually for contest the election 2023 result, but rather now for ask ECSL for produce the complete data when from that angle they want to take forward.
Exactly.
Okay.
Frenchman, exactement. Je sais vous parle français très bien. Exactement.
Yes. Okay, I get that, and that make good points. That make good reason for go forward, because of course they're not disadvantaged. They're not giving the justice when actually go for the court for demand for the complete result. So yes, that make enough a reason for going at the ECOWAS court. Please forward the match now. I sit down at the fine chair for.
Shoot the question. Shoot the questions if you have any other questions.
No, at this point, I don't sit down at the fine chair. I don't get better understanding of Usai.
Okay.
And if I can add something small on that, waiting and Giwi now a summary, not to the disaggregated result. That means to say the breakdown result. It's like where you go through university, you dey get your degree certificate. But if you dey go for further studies, now any other university, you go give them your degree, but then still want transcript. The transcript, now in breakdown, you grades them where you get in the various modules them where you do, in the course where you do. So then go able to know waiting you can with. You understand? So basically, what you do, then just give we degree, then not give we transcript of the result, and we want that transcript because now then they break down exactly. Say, Pierre get 20 per biology, he gets 100 per mathematics, he gets 40 per English, he gets 50 per literature. It break them down categorically, step by step, and that's what a complete result looks like. I give way.
Now, if I can come on again, the fact that they deny lawyer Charles Magai and Augustine Senge Mara right for make them get access to the result, it contravene certain sections in the Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which Sierra Leone don't ratify.
Okay.
Article 19 of that covenant give every citizen of a country right to access public information. Election results are public information, not private information. Article 25B also provide the right to genuine elections expressing the electorate's will. That means any citizen, if he feel aggrieved, he get a right for take a case. The 7-day limit is only for political parties who petition. I can take a case today with the Electoral Commission in Sierra Leone. Yes. The law does not prescribe a 7-day limit for me as a citizen. It prescribes a limit for those petitioning a result. And this one was not a petition. It was a request for a data to be published. I hope you get my point.
Please go ahead. Will you get you clear?
Article 2.3, right to effective remedy, is why we are going to the ECOWAS court. Because Sierra Leone not only ratify this, we ratify the ECOWAS protocol, we give certain rights. Look at here. ECOWAS protocol on democracy and good governance. This was signed by President Ahmed Tijan Kaba. Article 3, elections must be free, fair, and transparent. If you cannot publish all the results, then the elections is not transparent. Article 6 and 7 guarantees access to judicial redress and transparency in result. The fact that they kick 2 people and case out of court don't justify say there is no access to judicial redress in Sierra Leone. So we can go to the ECOWAS court. Article 9 mandates adherence to national deadlines for redress. This one was in the favor of the court if they are taking action on the previous. So what I want that we understand here, we not carry out with a bias case. We not carry out, they can't talk for APC and SLPP because those are 2 bundles of idiots.
Okay.
We are talking for Sierra Leone. 64 years of the same old rigmarole by this bundle of people. Now I don't think we told Saudi.
Okay.
We get countries them we don't prosper pass we. Because we depend on this rigmarole.
Okay.
And we get everything that it takes for make we prosper.
Okay.
But in our own issue now is we want Sierra Leoneans taking into consideration that chapter 2 where I don't show this no say every citizen get a right for take action. Let them come on board. It don't matter if you're in SLPP or APC, if you're in a post, look at Sierra Leone. Come on board, let us redeem our country. Sierra Leone needs redemption.
Okay. Continue further with me inside the program. And we still continue with the court case for the ECSL to the ECOWAS Parliament. Now the foundation don't lay fine one. We don't understand, say, because, you know, Sierra Leone and demand from the court of Sierra Leone for the ECSL actually produce complete results. The court kick the case out. That's not enough reason for take the case to the international court. I mean, the ECOWAS court. And if they fail, then take them to another level until justice is served. This day program we are on YouTube and on Facebook. Of course, my name is the Freedom Fighter. We get Imran T and we get Boy Jamboya with you to inside the program. You know, follow we talk about all of them things here. But June 28th, 2025, we are dinner an iconic white party inside Strasbourg, France, the city of European Parliament. Okay, so please get your ticket, €100, and make sure say you support we in this we dinner and white party. Of course, you know what we're capable of doing. We actually want we do this for two reasons. One, for we say safe. You know, they actually feed picking, you know, lick your hand. But we know how for feed picking and lick your hand illegally, where we're not supposed to do. That is to say, they say this now for this person, we say no. So we do a fundraising and get them for develop we own for you back. And secondly, for see how best we can cut the character and help other people and we desperately they're in need of them. Issues them don't they come at the inbox. A lot of issues them, you know, sometimes and then we can fall victim for past information we not correct. You know why they happen? Because we know they're not the God. We above people them for giving information. So sometimes then they want them we actually want for see we down, they give you something, but guess what? Credibility come first. When you make mistake, come back and say, hey, that thing it be wrong. Yeah. That thing make people still believe in you. So that is why you see a lot of people don't try a lot of time for actually make the people them they discredit we. But thank God we don't learn something. We're not a journalist anymore, but we don't learn something. Say the credibility can't force by anything. Make sure say you be transparent to your viewers, to your listeners, to your family members them, and then they go trust you at all points in time. They need for no say you're honest about that one day. So a lot of people them they actually do them thing and they so we and something and then we can check something and then because of how something we can carry that away by the information, we fall victim. So we not mortal man. Yeah. And secondly, people them continuously they request for take we phone line, we WhatsApp line, continuously they request for take we Facebook and we YouTube. Like every other day, even this today I don't get them, they say to them. You know, but I don't tell una say the way how the same Facebook owner they use, owner get all the thing for use. Now the same Facebook they protect the people the way go according to how they're supposed to protect themselves. So we don't do that one day. When I don't try several times and we not go fall victim by God in power for press on a link or for make una able for change we password. So we don't tell una say if una want for take we account them, say una don't tell for see we, una just tell we publicly and then we go give una. Say una take over. If una able for take over, we sign document. So when una go wrong against some side, una they come back and pay we for that. The court will come inside there, not to salon court. So una come and tell we instead of una they go, you know, that barrier way for take them now we earn. It's not possible. It's not ever possible. Yeah. And then STEM issues then they come out. Clerk of Parliament, they don't come and do two confession for the 2018, you know, speaker election inside Parliament. Okay, when I don't remember, it say it do something for change the election results. So we still there on the line. Well, we see the leader of government business do actually do something them and say the speaker, the clerk of Parliament for resign. So we think they happen tomorrow. We'll host Honorable Abdul Kagbo inside the program because he gets a lot of things them where it will get for come talk. They don't tell you not come. So join me tomorrow inside the program. Follow we talk about all of the things they do. And today, before we come and continue with the guests that we get inside the show, quick one look pass inside this news. Quick while we pass inside this news. We know so we don't go with them, we don't flag and go on top of. So a lot of things them don't they come up this BNTM. Lots of things them don't they come up with regards $2.1 million alleged property them for Fatima Bio. Your name they play, money the fly, but no use at all. Speaker Bundu allegation fly. So now the things that they pile up like every day. Speaker Bundu, you don't go rest, eh? Okay, but guess what? Until you die, before case not come for you. But if not, that money all where you eat as Speaker of Parliament throughout that 10 days, you dey cough all because the courts they come for you, not salon court. Sorry about that, not salon court. Especially at this time when we don't know say una rig for let them put you in that position there. And a true confession, salon people, salon the country itself in the fet, but we the people are not ready yet. That's the simple thing, but the country of itself in the fet, all the alaki one by one, because una they can't confess, now so God they ready for now. So let me go quickly. Inside the issue of the Diamond and the First Lady. Quick one before we can continue with we get them inside the show this evening time. Quick one. So what we don't see from the latest way come out na the court. Latest way come out na the court. This na from the First Lady. From the First Lady, yes, Fatima Bio. We be done to talk about several issues. So it's nice that we talk about Ion as well. For like, not actually pass. Now just small bits. Last this lady they don't pass. We not talk about that. So you see, barrister and law. So you barrister at law, solicitors, legal and business consultants. Yes, practitioners. 13 lawyer them. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 lawyers them. Don't steam up. One and say, then they sue Koidu Holdings in a court. Guess what? Koidu Holdings asked for 2 million from the First Lady. First Lady asked for waiting 50 million from Koidu Holdings for damage control. So we did see Koidu Holdings say then they go to salon court. First Lady don't jump go to salon court. Okay. So now Koidu Holdings say then they follow suit. Like where we get progressive, where then they say then they go ECOWAS court, then they go ECOWAS, then they go AU, then they go na UK, then they go different side for make sure say they fight this battle. So the war don't begin. The battle for supremacy. International influence versus country influence. Who that go come out successful? Who that go win the battle? Okay, all we need, pile up the evidence them and put that down. We there for talk, we dey talk them. So this is not the letter from the First Lady in solicitors them, in lawyer them. Of course, big letter 1, 2, almost pages 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pages. 11 pages. 11 pages. 13 lawyers, 11 pages. Okay, so let me do a summary of this particular one quickly, a summary. And for that, we go inside Sierra Loaded. Sierra Loaded will do the summary for we quick one. And what is Sierra Loaded then do? They actually summarize the whole thing. So let's watch them because we don't get time for it. Almost page? 11 page at this particular time? No. We get other things over discuss. So let me go quick one from Sierra Loaded. Thank you very much, Sierra Loaded. And then now when I stop with you, so now, yeah, like we all tell when I say we can take people and thing there. Some people will say we're thief, okay? But just they read and make sure say we add more value to whatever thing they can ask. So the Salon First Lady, Madam Fatima Bio, don't file case. High profile defamation lawsuit against diamond mining giants when Koidu Holdings. And in affiliate, that is to say in Fambul, the way they all do this. And they accusing the company, then they accuse the company, say they actually don't bring personal damage. That is to say, they don't do things then for damage, for assassinate the character of the First Lady and make it look bad in the public. This now according to the First Lady in lawyer them. They say they attack against the First Lady in credibility. And as they actually stand, as the First Lady stand in the area of the labor wahala where they go between Koidu Holdings and in workers there, the First Lady can inside. So make sure say they're able to do them things and they let it come out fine. So let's start with the Sierra Loaded say. They say the legal action there is supported by formidable legal team. That is to say the legal action where they take. It gets legal team the way they put together of 13 lawyers then. And now 50 million damage the First Lady they ask for. When first lady get 50 million, you know they pay again. Pass no more now other court case can pull all night and you know they pay again. As we dey talk, so allegation of $2.1 million day where we dey talk about inside the country. $2.1 million. So if 50 million, he ask for 50. First lady, I know how for judge. First lady, you actually the first for defamation or you want for be rich than are you dey? Okay, now just a question I ask, yeah? But anyway, if let me go to the court and let me see who that will actually win the case. Well, I'm pretty sure Koidu Holdings gets lawyers them inside the country and Koidu Holdings go out other lawyer them for add up to the team. Can't see the World Cup where they play inside Sierra Leone inside this 2025. We dey wait. Oh, me people them. We want to see the ending bout. First lady and Koidu Holdings the hold on no. Now wait for the ending bout. So let me go and see what we get. They say the lawsuits, yeah, it begins from one letter. Una forgive me, una English ide. I try for put on a crew so we all go understand. Some of we were not able to read. Yeah, that's just the reality. But then we get patience for listening. So let's try them this way. If I miss or if I add, remember say I just want for let it look good. If I pull, I for let it look good. Or forgive me for that. So they say this lawsuit it come as a result of one letter where Koidu Holdings send to the first lady. Outside the coming, they blame the first lady, say, he go and incite illegal strike action. And for sake of that one day, the first lady in action and in the workers the action, it make lady company lost plenty dollars. And the same way so say, the first lady, he act too much. He do pass waiting in position. Say pass waiting in power, say he forget. By way how he can put on, he can put mouth, he can Congo sale lemutela, you know what I mean? Inside, internal labor issue. That means say the workman them your issue. Where he not a workman, but in a first lady. So he over pass mark in power where he gets. So the thing continue, the summary say, the letter continue for suggest, say, continue for talk, say, he say, First lady, then the Anti-Corruption Commission don't investigate them for sake of waiting. The way how it didn't take money for and on behalf of the people of Salon, but it didn't misuse them, the public fund, and money where they get for the charity, especially the answer for a gas or whatever. So for sake of this, this summary don't jump. So basically the time for talk say, you're not able to account for something where they're giving a public fund, where you use them for your personal things them, and then they can't really calm down. So for sake of this, they threaten for actually take up international sanctions them. That is to say for block the first lady in a different side. Number one, that Boku fly, they want for cut and down. Then they launch investigation into waiting and call in your assets them. All of that inside the letter. Yeah, all of the assets them for freeze them. Whether I get and directly, na picking and get out, and border, na mama as we don't see allegations, then they to line at the media this BNT, then we'll make sure say then restrict them and then they freeze all and then restrict in Waka Waka. And they continue for fly. Because they don't listen back. I don't know for reduce them. The only time where it look like so now turn the first lady to pigeon. Because the only time we can do pigeon. What we can do them where we find out say this na a stray pigeon okay cham with a cut in feather lane of fly. So we try for like used to we camp. So the other pigeon there. So now that's now for cut in feather on our back. Then people they don't use for fly I beg. They use for fend they eat for themselves. So this all of this thing. So this they continue. Then they say inside this letter where the lawyer there for the first lady writes that the word the way they put it they say back is stronger. They say it really strong worded for respond to the issue them through the legal team. So Madam Fatima Bio, he don't deny all the allegation where Koidu all this on me. As he continue for say the allegation that will come up. Now false allegation. In fact, now just way for out of bad that, a malicious thing out of bad that, out of just kind of thing where because they see me come up and stand up, so they don't like me for that. It's a malicious thing. So because of that, they want for put me character. They want for let me name. They want how they look like chen at the public, lay all of that and people they begin to say, hey, but all they make way they make. So that in a defamative for sake of this the sooner. So the lawyer them, yeah, they argue say the first lady in intervention inside the Koidu Holdings worker strike was not only lawful, that is to say, it not out of the law at all. It then within the law, it lawful, it get rights as a citizen for the law. They say was not only lawful but also initiated at the direct request. So they say it not only they within the law, but at the same time, nothing is where what are they? Okay, now the company top management, now they say self, now they ask the first lady. Remember when we man now so na the Congress program say they get that evidence day for saying that Koidu Holdings and then call the first lady. So now they say self come up with the idea for let them bring the first lady inside this. So they approach him, yeah. Let me see. Who approach her on 5 separate occasions. So what happened? Now the CSF call him, and not to just say now 1 term, then go 1 term, then go 2 term, 5 term, then go for make sure say he talk to them, and 4 times at our office and 1 at our residence. So then go 4 term in office for go convince them, and the last one when number 5 term, then go meet them na house. Just say, please, come inside, can't help me know this year I don't look to born at truth, but we that's what happen. So they say seeking help for waiting mediate. So I see it don't turn born at truth, but we for they come and help them. So the strike action had commenced longer before our clients. So then they say the worker they don't begin strike, they don't begin do things them. Long themselves before even we clients when a Fatima Bio come inside and me for put hand inside this and to claim for Leone claim otherwise for Leone bring other kind talk na the public. He say na desperate attempt. That means to say una badly want for make sure say una well the name when we own clients don't get from una own failure. Una want for well the name when clients don't get. Una fail for blame on ourselves because we are not for handle a situation. This na the letter we come out from the lawyer then. So the lawyer then continue for talk say, he say your management willingly accepted and even began implementing the recommendation. That is to say, una don't see, una don't agree, things that una don't agree. Una management soon at the Koidu Holdings, una been not ready for go there. In fact, una don't begin for implement the things the way that get for do toilet. Me I add this now because we work now so now for talk what we don't see from the different them then bring them come back low understand. Toilet, water, and other things the way na in the company says inside the letter say they don't put. So in other words, the letter this lawyer themselves for talk say una be not even begin for put things them in place for later and they go on. Yeah, and I talk including monthly rice and distribution and provision of clean drinking water for underground workman them. Now be anka inside, so why una they can't talk this one now? All right. So they say, as all this be, the first lady in legal representation then don't challenge the legitimacy of the company's claim. That is to say, for see whether the company get right thing or na they do it within the law or na the right thing they do or the claim where they make it they in place at the time for put them all use the other word it they in place for make sure say they take action against the first lady. I'll read this one quickly. Legitimacy, of the company's claim that she lacked legal. That is to say, then they look at that and for see whether yes, the company say you not get any rights for client affairs. So then they look at them now say whether we young clients, when the first lady actually gets the right, the legal right, the authority for come inside. Because now when I go call them, that's what the lawyer then say. So then bring come different documents them, different documentary evidence them, citing documented evidence of her involvement being solicited by the company. So now then bring evidence and say, okay, this is the evidence number 1. The company then can meet them. You say, Mama, this you don't come back out. Lord, do this now. Then show all of them documented evidence today. Then the counter. So a legal team also disputed the company's differences to the ACC. Yes. Now they even don't say that thing when you talk about the ACC about CB client say then they investigate them. No, I'm not sure that. So clarifying that the commission has denied. So the commission be don't come and say no, we don't ever investigate the first video. So now then they make reference the commission self one at the top, but so don't come and deny and say no. We not ever they investigate the first lady for anything where the first lady do when a wrong thing. Instead, we try to confirm whether he get right for all couple, just like how other one they been do. I'll stop here for now because we go on and go on and go on. But the first lady in the Facebook page and tell the Koidu Holdings, and let's just read exactly what they say. Koidu Holdings, them say, diamond, no, the diamonds you mind aren't the only things bloody. See you in court, Koidu Holdings. So first lady kind of, very much confident for going to court with this case. And they ask for $50 million from Koidu Holdings. Who side this case go end? Me, Nasembe Pierre, the freedom fighter, and this type program when we are on YouTube and on Facebook. 1,330 when you watch the program right now with 418 people where they don't like the program. What we do it wrong? Please go on and like the program. We still get with 2 guests inside the program with me, but we continue with another set of court case. We now the electoral justice court case. We want to see the result incomplete, full up one, complete one, not enough for Komobende. If we second on the game guarantee, and we get Jalo Jamboria with it inside the program. 317 follow we talk about the things in there. So we don't come back to them. We keep your thoughts. When they come to the full line later on, but keep your thoughts. And we go back to electoral justice. I just go catch na Coco, as Marazon avec will say. Nah, catch me, Coco. Okay. Welcome back. Sorry for all I left on a force na forward. And I hope I don't count me to come back or take on a go. Welcome back.
No problem. I want to talk about this small part, this Koidu case.
I'm not for balance, but still, it's okay. Since you get interest, we listen. Go ahead, please.
As a trade unionist.
Okay, please go ahead.
Somebody will understand labor issues. Mm-hmm. You see, I don't know whether Koidu Holdings don't make any approach to Fatima for intercede. If they did that, that was petty and unlawful. Because there are set procedures to do grievance handling in every country. Mm-hmm. And Sierra Leone, na signatory to international laws, mm-hmm. with a guide we have for do grievance handling between employees, employers. Mm-hmm. That word tripartite. Mm-hmm. They don't make
not only election, tripartite too.
Now, I give the origin of that word tripartite.
Okay, great.
The International Labour Organization, mm-hmm. they coined that term they, mm-hmm. they allow for we do grievance handling in a 3-way, like a triangular way. Mm-hmm. The employee, the employer, then the arbitrator. According to the ILO standards.
Mm-hmm. International labor law.
Yes. And Sierra Leone ratify all the main laws, Convention 90, Convention 87. Mm-hmm. We're now for applying this case with Koidu Holdings. Mm-hmm. Okay? Mm. According to the processes with them for FALA, mm-hmm. now Ministry of Labor, Sierra Leone Labor Congress, mm-hmm. Mines Workers Union, mm-hmm. and then for sit down at table with Koidu Holdings and talk. Fatima Bio no business and competence in the case here. She's
so
not
if we go by waiting the lawyer and do right, say then get evidence saying that Koidu Holdings approach him. So unlawfully Koidu Holdings don't approach him. Unlawfully Fatima don't approach, don't act. So they're all wrong, and Fatima they have the advantage.
Both sides are wrong. Mm-hmm. Because they have throughout the whole process. The Ministry of Labor is there to handle such issues. Mines Workers Union, I know say still they exist. Mm-hmm. Now if I represent the workers na Koidu Holdings mm-hmm. and any na Sierra Leone. Mm-hmm. And the Sierra Leone Labor Congress, mm-hmm. when are the overall head of all trade union movements, for be a party, then sit down at table Koidu Holdings, they make them point. The workers, they make them point. When they're not able to reach an agreement, there is a process to follow. The Mines Workers Union, and then they give notice to Koidu Holdings, say, if we are not fulfill this condition within 21 days, we will tell the workers to down tools. But if you worker, you not follow that procedure, you down tools, it's illegal. Now I make when I can at this program today, I say I can here for begin assist the people of Sierra Leone for getting knowledge. Sengbe Pierre, we talk in Sierra Leone, but we talk a lot of crap. Because people they know the research, they know they find out. Now that make a few people they mislead we country. Rather than we look at the facts, we they look at the actors of events. Hey, Fatima don't do so. Yes, she can do it. And Fatima as first lady, she ought to know better. She should seek proper advice. If we're knowing limits, everybody gets a limit in this life. All what thing they don't do so, if not true say Koidu Holdings go meet them, then Koidu Holdings is petty. And that they tell una say, the businesses where they invest in Sierra Leone, now rogue businesses. Because any business will get serious international credibility, not go use that process there. Then go follow the law. Yeah, Sierra Leone needs saving, yeah? Our country is practically dying. But to laugh business, knowledge. Don't lost us alone. Now ignorance they rule we country. Minus all them bodies then we get an international body, what then call the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative.
Slating, yes.
EITI. And
EITI. For Salon, we get the slating.
Yes, slating. EITI should be a semi-autonomous body, transparent, with case like this then for kind side. But it is attached to Vice President's office. Everything in centralized. So everybody they do elect. Land of no law and order. Let God save Sierra Leone.
Amen, amen. Amen, you want for put inside it?
You may not understand by all that in there. Almost lawyer they see come out.
Talk to you.
Who tell the lawyer every day when they infringe the ordinary people and voting rights? Where were they?
Okay.
So they only they usai sugar day, na sugar hunch them.
And usai the interest day.
And that's it. Now that's what sugar hunch do. Usai sweet, that didn't they? So they go lick their hand. Something will matter to the country, will matter to the welfare of the ordinary people. You see, just like what Impajalo say, every country in the world will civilize, not to how it treats the rich and the powerful, now how it treats the people that were not able to rub 2 pennies together, how it treats the poor. All man they talk about Fatima being a council place. The side where they call them Aylesbury Estates. Now building them with them build round about 1960s to 1977. Now estates them with them build for help and house low income people them. It's supposed for house up to 7,000 to 10,000 people. Now about 2,700 flats there. Then at that complex day. What in Fatima do they? Britain get rules and regulations where they go follow for deal with that. Not to we business. Waiting are we business. Now then claims that yeah, we're not to secret. Either at the public domain, they don't talk and say get hotel na that place there, it get yonder, it get ocean, But you see, Sierra Leone and them with they talk, if you buy village dog, na dirty box with the back but not the bed, with toothless. Well, at least it don't get the one them, it don't reach a Waterloo, it don't get the one them, we don't cry and go the public because they don't consult journalists, they don't do investigation, they don't ask them for answer, no answer, it don't go court. Well, it don't do well for we. As they can say, 20 years, not to forever. But I want him know. Fatima Bio is not the question. Mother Bio, na him we give we vested interest for they represent we. And Fatima, nobody no votes for her. Fatima, nobody no pick her, nobody no choose her. And what me know, in a criminal court, where you accuse somebody, now you get the burden of proof. But in this case here, when a public figure, the burden of proof, not all a criminal case, they're supposed to declare anything where they get. So let them declare. And they're supposed to don't declare before they decande. So me don't know how they get for do a move. But whatever it is, if na government money not true, we want the money then they back. Full stop. No more, no less. We not get a country, people and they not get health care. They not get good educational system. They not get nothing with the work. But yet, you then a people country, you then a public housing. When una get power, una for don't emulate, una for don't learn from that, una say go build public housing for una people. Because una can England, una see how they live. This is why I often say, Sierra Leone and them, when we come out, we know they learn nothing. The only thing where they change per winner we address. If they don't learn something, that's what they
the city and the country.
Therefore, we go back, then care public housing go to Sierra Leone. But rather, when they go back, they not build public housing, then take money, go buy private estates then for themselves, na Gambia, outside the country, enjoy life. Is that how you lead? I don't think so.
Okay, this is a program we are on YouTube and on Facebook, and of course the picture is in a courtesy of Common Talk platform. We go actually now the area. Well, this is the first side and say no, but still, even though to the right address this now to the host then direct, no matter outside. Okay, so we actually continue with the rest of the program. So let's ask you something. You know, now we intend for going to court. Now we not explaining. It look like when I get Jenny concern and Jenny reason for going to court. But I mean, the tripartite bin don't come inside. Usai, we get political leaders, then we agree. The two political parties, them, people that we come inside as moral guarantors, them, they agree for they into what they call tripartite. Then sign the national agreement, and then we are done with the tripartite. Then they try to implement the different things. Then why you not wait for the implementation of the tripartite proper? Anybody can go first.
We don't talk from the beginning.
How much of the tripartite where they don't implement from way done?
You
You see?
The tripartite is not represented, not a representation of the people of Sierra Leone. We get 22 parties there. Then 22 parties then they all get a say in the political system. It's supposed to be inclusive. How come now only two parties they go? It's illegal. It is clear. It not represents the faces of the country.
So what's the one I'm not say illegal? Because if I remember very well, when I be actually say, okay, it was okay, let we go into the tripartite.
No, I didn't.
We don't talk now we platform for many times. And we don't make audio and what talk about that say it is not legal, it's not representation.
But in the beginning, you be say like illegal?
It be illegal from day one, we don't talk.
Okay.
Well. Can I come in?
Yes, you now feel free for do so.
Before the tripartite sat, Shaba being called me in platform, Mohamed Bangura, this Mao they call himself CSO Mambu, with this David Koroma, they were there. I told them categorically that the tripartite is a waste of time and it is illegal. That what in Sierra Leone need at this material moment, now for me to get away, let the international community come, now get an interim government of national unity. We sit down, we look at all what's wrong and come with solutions. We'll go take we country forward. That day, when I said government of national unity, Mohamed Bangura was the first. Now I talk to me, I say idiot. If I answer you, you then at the same level.
Okay, and you know answer him.
I don't answer him.
Okay.
Next time after that, several platforms been called me, I told them I'm not going to discuss the tripartite because it's a waste of time. So I'm not a trained lawyer, but as a professional trade unionist, I know all the laws that I need for law, and I'm guided by these principles. You understand me? Human rights laws, social justice laws, etc., etc. The tripartite is not representative of the 22 political parties. We constitution, we electoral laws, not get anything we say, two parties go represent all the other parties then. So it is an illegal effort. Secondly, the fact that the tripartite only represented two political parties, it means say it is part of the problem of Sierra Leone. It's a polarization process. Sierra Leone is not a two-party state, it's a multi-party state. That is what the Constitution declares and defines. You understand? We are in a one party, then we were forced to go into multi-party pluralism. And as far as I know, the register of the political parties registration commission gets 22 political parties registered. Until those parties' names are taken off the register, they have to be represented anytime, anywhere. So tripartite is for those who recognize it. And the other point I get for make, electoral justice is not about what happened in Sierra Leone. Electoral justice is about the maintenance of free, fair, and transparent processes in every elections. Because some people know the electoral justice is done and dusted.
I don't know how they pull that one.
May not a part of that crowd of ignoranta.
I'm not sure say they say electoral justice done and dusted, rather than say the election is done and dusted. That's 2023.
Kutem, I don't read them, but Kutem Sengepie.
Then they say that Sengepie. And waiting I want for add pa waiting pa Jalo Sinaya. Hello, una dey hear me?
Please go ahead, yes.
If you get 22 party then, you take only 2. You just do your averages, your percentage. Now 9%. 9 out of 100%. Not to even quarter of the population. It not represent. You cannot have
the party.
You get dispute.
Now they carry 90-something%.
Yeah. You get the point what I want for make Naya is you get 22 party them. Then take part. They all get dispute. Not to the no more the rogue, not to APC no more the rogue. Even Mami, how you call herself?
Femi?
Yes. A party, then disenfranchise them. Then block them. He gets grievance. She's supposed to be there. All the political party that's supposed to be represented. Then you go find out for say, it gets a diverse view of what happened at the country. And that this they only do from independence. Do you realize, say, when we get to independence, when they go for Coco Talk independence, now 22 men and women, and for that group day, waiting at C, pan the list, now Creole, in fact, they're overrepresented. Mende, now the second, by the representation, then Timni, Loko no de, Soso no de, Yalunka no de, Isi no de, Shebra no de, Bolum no de, Fula no de. Ebo, how then they run country? So the pattern not they change. Oh, now the same pattern they go. Only few, the 2%. Now they know it all. Now they get right. We should be excluded. We should not be included. And that is not how you run a country. Even during the colonial days, when they bring the hot tax war, all man is saying that Bible make the war. Bible not to Bible make that war. The war, all the chiefs in Sierra Leone, they voted. And they agree say they're not for allow the hot tax war. But Usai Bible Kaisai, na him na be the chairman for all the children of Sierra Leone. So na him be get for report that to the governor, Governor Kadwe. So na him get the bad name.
Okay.
But not a decision.
Okay, so that brings
And
us
the
back to
consensus.
this thing of the ECOWAS thing owner intent for take. So let's look at this. If we look at timeline limit for Leone actually get justice under the ECOWAS, protocol, what's the time limit we want to get for?
Now 3 years. Now 3 years.
To 2026.
Okay.
Because ECOWAS the limit na 3 years. The election took place in Sierra Leone in 2023. We have up to 2026 to put a case across.
And also, Sierra Leone and them only they put emphasis on the statutory time with them put. But also, there is something called judicial review. If a case item don't pass, lawyers then can come together, then put a case before the judge. If the issue where they need for bring come, it gets public interest, it affects the livelihood of the community, the judge can look into that and he allow them. Now they call what they call judicial review. That can be reviewed. It not they happen all over the world. Judicial review they take place. So when they talk saying that 7 days, it can be reviewed. If waiting at the issue affect the country, it well-being, if it gets serious risk implications, then put them before the judge, then give them good reason why if I consider the case, then they listen to that case, then they deal with them.
Okay.
Let's just show some of the reasons where come under what in him and the talk so.
Please, quickly.
Oh no, not this. I have so many documents to share. Unabia with me, yeah?
All right. Whilst we wait for him, the program now we are on YouTube and on Facebook. We get 1,409 they watch the program with 520 people who don't like the program. Please consider for like and share the program before you go inside. They actually open the phone line anytime from now. We just want to get a few more comments. Let's go on.
Yes. Now here we have what in Imran will talk just now. Admissibility justification. The delay in filing is justified under what they call continuing violation. The ECSL has not produced the disaggregated data. So because of that, we can file under continuing violation. If even the deadline pass, let's say up to 2026, they're not produce them, we still get right for use this. The lawyers, they know how they go coin them. Okay? ECSL's non-publication of full results obstructed the discovery of possible electoral violations. ECOWAS accepts cases within a reasonable time after violations are discovered. So if even a publisher now, we see say violation day, then they accept them on that grounds.
All the people that they talk say if that 7 days don't pass, that 10 days don't pass, they're not going to accept them.
Imran,
They are morally dishonest, they are intellectually dishonest. Because as I speak to you now England it's like for say you get traffic offense. You get 28 days for let you answer the case. If you not answer the case, you for pay the fine. But if you not answer within that 25 case, you get mitigating circumstances. You the right to the judge, you tell her for say the term don't pass. Because I not be get the letter. I be travel, I be there away. You give them all the reason why the 28 days pass you not do them. Then they admit your case if you give them good reason and then go hear the case. So when people like you can't talk, we know they ask questions. You don't have to be a lawyer for let get understanding how the system they work. You can forget appetite for one for no. You can for take the yam where you need for educate yourself. Wake up your mental tissues. We not go just you don't know what they say. They say we live in innuendos and hypotheses. So hypotheses. Nothing not proven at Sierra Leone. And you know what they say this, they say that, they say that. Look like what's happened. Now Koidu Holdings. Now Koidu no more get problem. The same problem they Moyamba. The same problem then Alonsar. All the mining areas, they get the same problem. How come Kono unique? Because now they Fatima come out. You see, there are a lot of things were wrong with the country. Lots of things. Because we know they function as a community of Sierra Leoneans. Sierra Leone, we get small group them. Well, now they with loyalty day.
Okay.
So money loyalty not to a tribe. So money loyalty not to a village. So money loyalty not to a school. You see big man and 77-year-old man. They travel from America. They go match for academy, go match for Annie Walsh, go match for grammar school, go match for St. Edwards. But you call them for let them go match against the infringement. When ECSL do now the country, they know they go do.
Okay.
When it comes to national interest, no one is interested.
As a cow owner,
Okay.
they're very clear.
Okay.
Before they put down the secretary, I wonder we note them claims, because all them claims here then concern the international conventions that we Salomon sign. And this give me right for taking court case with the ECOWAS.
Okay. All right, the program still going, and this. You not get me?
Yes,
All
clear.
right. Very sorry. The program still going, and this now we had on YouTube and on Facebook, and we get two people with it inside, Jala Jamboria and Imanti with it on the show. I just want to ask one more question before we open the phone line. Just one question before we open the phone line, please. And this one, I want to we do a brief, short one. Yeah. So I want to we look at waiting now the strong things them. We don't know about how we now get to put in a case, how now the time frame for make loan a case day, we now get opportunity to 2026 for the other one day. But who's them? We now actually facing the ECOWAS court. And just talk for now. We are still there on the preparation or waiting to happen.
We don't start the preparation. What I mean by we don't start the preparation, we not professional lawyers.
Okay.
Although we get lawyers now with team. We don't consult with the lawyers now with team. We don't get references to international lawyers who don't begin consult with. Some are in West Africa, some are in the United Kingdom. We are building a case file or a brief. Then, hopefully, if we have everything done within the deadline we don't set, by August, September, the case for the ECOWAS court. This is no retreat, no surrender. But we want the people of Sierra Leone to come on board. And we go find another term for can talk to them.
Okay, please go ahead.
Someone for add pandis.
Yeah.
Pajalo talk so. The issue where we get Naya, it not gets nothing for do with any political party. What you would deal with Naya? It's not about APC, not about SLPP. It's not about individuals. Not against Fatima Bio, not against Samura. It's about we country. Is it right for let we get a country where would they go for elections? Somebody where them put, not because they want for put them, now because the constitution say we for put them there. And the constitution now a sacred book. Now book way important to we. This person owe that obligation to the country for them respect the very book where they let them pick up. To start with, to them begin to make the blunder. The man no meets criteria for be electoral commissioner. He's supposed to not resign before they go consider, I think, for 6 months. He didn't do that. And the reason we made them, they put their rules there, now because anybody where they come out from the public for go work, now their situation anyway for neutral, You for meet that criteria. It is a standard. You don't meet them. That's where they started. 6 months before the thing, ECOWAS advice say, not for church, no law. Pass if all the party they agree. That was not the case. 6 months to the term, now they go make whatever 1922 law. That was wrong. Even that Liberian MP raised that up. But you see, Sierra Leone, anybody can do anything. You see, impunity is the order of the day. Everybody do what he wants for do. Nobody know they ask and question. Everything goes. Look at where we are now. And for all within a kind situation there, people are still partisan. And this is what kills me. Okay. Who didn't place how we did so. Me, I can say this, and I will say this now without a malice. I tell God thank you. Okay. We God bring Mother Bio. For let it can show Sierra Leone and them how not for run a country.
Okay, thank you.
And the good thing where he do, when he come, Sierra Leone will get bandage na a foot. All the other politicians that come before Mother Bio, then tell me for saying explain the foot explain. Now Mother Bio, now he take the time, he can't come pull the bandage. Now we know say Salon get big so foot. What we don't know say Salon get so foot. Now we try for men before we go before. Now we don't go before we get with spender.
Continue for Davity inside the program, Imran and Boy Jamboya with Davity inside the show. Okay, so what thing we do now? We can open the phone line. But please make I just give you this small phone. Now, then get and call them fact phone. Yes, also. Okay. So basically, this photo appear today, and it gets the flag of Salon, green, white, and blue. From what we know, from what this post say, yeah, first of all, I get the green, white, and blue, and he writes like this. Younger Sierra Leone, yeah, la reverse one more time, small bit more, and let you see something. Then say younger Sierra Leone, that is to say, this now just that need for now. Okay, then watch the post, the picture written it say. It say, I don't know how I will pronounce this word. Police station. Okay, I think that's how I go pronounce them. If I not pronounce that well, please forgive me. But it pronounced as police station. Okay, so a very beautiful place, very, very beautiful place where they say na police station. Police station. Okay, why are they called a police station? Police, S-T-E-T-I-O-N, Sierra Leone Police Station. I actually spell as police station. Arrest for now and then Salon Police today. And also say na small paper where they write for say so the person don't make mistake. Now a old stencil, and then it don't day beautiful one. Then everybody they snap them, then they post them now, including the policeman, including the OC, the officer in charge of the station. And then the big one, police station Nayenga. Okay, so rest for night, and it's about time.
And I beg you, you need for bring we come. Me and Pajalo don't do extensive research on this younger situation.
Okay.
Because there is something called the Attente Cordiale, where British and the French sign. Then sign them Morocco and Egypt, then sign them Guinea and Sierra Leone. We need for come, let we put down the historic perspective, deep down, from 1885, how we come, Usai we did so, Usai the border supposed for day, and how it changed. We need for talk about that, let people know. Because some time ago, we president talk for saying go give bullets for bullets. But where Guinea and Ghana, we country, they infiltrate and come and abuse we territorial integrity. And it tell the Guinean president say go give bullets for bullets. He left and they then come then build a whole garrison. Right. Whole barrack.
You know they left trouble, right? Imran.
No, if I go
don't see Mama did do more and beyond anything, man.
He say bullets or bullets.
Well, Somebody they look down on I.
All right, family members, them now you turn up for call and take part on the show. Of course, you don't listen to the conversation. Now you turn for can't tell we waiting you think about the old show. We go on the phone line now for starts for pick calls from family members. Them. Hello, caller. You name and who's they call me from?
Good evening.
Good evening.
This is Food Mustafa call. I just want to help my brother them for one thing, one information we're missing. Inside the Public Election Act, it did back say any citizen can carry the ECSL or challenge the result at any time. It did it back. So they just force them put 7 days and then put back any citizen can challenge the legitimacy of the president at any time. And that's the one ad.
All right. Thank you. God bless you. Hello, caller. You name and who you call me from?
Hello.
You're welcome on the show.
Yeah. Name here. The call from Gambia.
Go ahead and make your point, sir.
I have a few questions that were asked Mr. Imrati with Mr. Jallo.
Go ahead.
Talks the Tripartite for 22 political parties then now therefore represent the Tripartite. The first question I want to ask, how many political parties have been inside parliament before they get the election? Then the second question I want to ask, during the time they talk about the PR system, how many political parties then they participate, would they oppose for that PR system before the election? Then after the election, during the election, how many political parties then will be boycott or say when they go parliament, they partake by any position, be now mayor, councillor, or member of parliament? How many political parties? Then the fourth question, they say that they go ECOWAS court. Who that they go represent? I want to know who that they go represent. And four questions they are there for them, for Mr. T and Mr. Jallo. So let them explain to we the Sierra Leoneans.
All right. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
We don't tire now. We don't tire.
Thank you.
So
we go and take another call. Hello, caller. You name and who you call me from?
Some caller from the UK.
You're welcome on the show.
Yes, Papa. I want to do not thank you.
No, tell Allah thank you.
I just listen him and see them when they talk concerning this electoral justice and tripartite business. I mean, I tell people or Dr. Samuel come out in the falla. Let them come out and tell people and say this election is over. Electoral justice, tripartite. It makes no sense. Let's think about the way forward. Let's think about 2028. But for the call when they talk about tripartite electoral justice, Samuel Akama will never be president in Sierra Leone. I tell you this. Is not a presidential material. So let them forget about tripartite. Like, no, look at the drawing table and spend way for CC, APC bounce and win the 2028 election. Not to think for the tripartite, or it makes no sense. Yeah, you're welcome, Papa.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. Hello, caller. You name and who you call me from? All right, we lost that caller there. Call again and join we. Welcome back, caller. Hello. This is not salon call, we can understand. I will patient you. Go ahead and make your point, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, you did live.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Tell God thank you.
Let God bless you now.
Amen.
You move with them to party and take so let God help them. Let God give them more ideas. There's more sense for lead this country for let deliver them from the devils who get. Now one thing I therefore say here again, when it take a fight with somebody with sabi tactics, bad. Something is boiling, but the man they don't set the fire. So we dey wait for let the flame get. They will know who is who. Now, one thing I want to take notice today, yeah, today is this country, the only person where God go mark for this country. You will get the people in the hearts. You will get people in the hearts. We say the people in the sofa. I know we can't enjoy the people in the sofa. They may want to enjoy. My word. And I'm come. Yeah. Thank you very much. God bless you now.
God bless you too, my brother. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from?
Yes, my brother, how are you?
Thank God. Are you safe?
I'm fine. I'm calling from the United States.
You're welcome on the show, brother, man.
Me, brother, Mother Bio, they tell me the campaign. It talk and boldly say Sabu and I call pap. So, Mother Bio, na snake, me brother. Samu and for me even encourage Mother Bio for let then she dump, then come together and say that they make tripartite. And man, man for trust. You know, it mock the man, say the man a cold pap. In fact, the man he don't beat him. This time now up across it again. You know, so like that other caller say, someone come I know say na residential and posting and for rules alone. It not get charismatic. So na my own contribution and the brother.
God bless you, sir. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from? You're welcome on the show.
Bible. Good evening.
Good evening, my
How you
brother.
do? Well, I really I call from Freetown. I Mohamed Jallo.
Go ahead, sir.
Call from Salon. I really enjoy the program as they tell you now. The panelists they won't account na the studio. They really they learn with something the way we not sabi. But even one thing, even to yesterday, them panelists they won't have been carried now with that civil society man. The same question where that part asked you, Judicial, won't be the moderate the program. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Say where the civil society say in the Koidu list gonna cut. Where them be they kill people in Sierra Leone? Why the civil society not been come out? Now I make a glad you the panelists we ask you the question. Say then you level or 13 lawyers them. Also them be the way they take the election. Where them do all where they go people in Sierra Leone, where would they suffer like how they suffer so. So now this me said they ask the same question to them people. How they go help with for this same this how for do this thing. So now make us say that.
Thank you. God bless you. Then we'll answer your question. We'll come back and respond to our messages. Then our calls. I'm sorry. Hello, caller. Your name and where they call you from? Hello.
Hello, we had.
You did live on we had. You're welcome on the show.
Yeah, my boy. How are you?
Thank God. How are you safe?
Yeah, I think say we brothers them the idea we didn't come up with it in place. We just they pray for make God help them and let's let them pursue this. Yeah, this are the way, you know, we think tankers and they think. Not to that way again. For all who go, so we don't come out. I think this is a very good approach. And how they say this is about Sierra Leone. Not for APC, not for HLPP. If things are left like how they, trust me, we get the high likelihood for them to go back. So the same kind of rubbish where the man when I call it do during the 2023 elections. You see, Sierra Leone as they pray. We'll just see somebody will say charismatic. Look, today we don't learn. All that kind big fool they are like that guy yesterday, so big fool. You just see somebody because of a youth or because he get military background, say this person, I can't change this country. We our country, rubbish. So let God help we. You see, because we know they do we homework properly. You understand? For choose that go better that country. So now that's no more, my brother. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from?
Good evening. I call from a family member.
You're welcome on the
Well,
show.
my question why I get to who gets there today na the house. All this one year so don't pass. Now we can no say the tripartite not legal na fake. Now then the ready say for can go court when the court case will take years back before they cut them. Or then they go meet 2028 don't reach safe. So I never understand. So that means all these years, yeah, so there was nothing not be happen at the background. Go be the expect say, who be the say, what's our all, now they will all. This, that. So that means there was nothing behind, nothing not be they go on. Now let them come up, let them explain so we'll understand. I don't understand though. They are big.
All right. Ambassador Gombi Musa Tonyaya.
Yeah, my brother, thank you. I dey tell we had thank you for the good work that they do.
Thank you too, sir.
But I just want to add to what my brothers and the program they say. The question here are the real people that they come, that they talk about Samora. Them two men that when they at that platform right now, they not go there for Samora. They don't tell una clearly. Salon people, this naivety and ignorance where they but let we stop. Not everybody is partisan right now. The one who come they go, una sit down, that drug they kill the youth and so. Now HIV in Canada, the country, over 91,000 people don't they suffer right now from HIV and AIDS. That one day they decimate the population of that country. Now una sit down, monkeypox don't come. They eat more man than private. So we're not going to produce again at that country. Now the population will go down so. Then the election now we're in a better democracy. Now it matter if you don't try for kids so. And at that one day we not the progressive they fight. So let it not be, let we country not die. There will now people they can they talk about some serious who now they still they talk about Samora. We now the progressive not about Samora we talk now. We are not talking about APC here. We are not talking about SFPP. Now we country with the talk about. Now we country, salon. So to you, I give each other. But if you don't say you don't like that country, see don't not even call for the program for obstruct them. You want to get interest in the country, let them call. Let them help pull up fight back. We are big. Now that you know my campus.
Thank you, Ambassador. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from?
Good evening, we had. Now, after the talk, I recall from the US.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, I'm not there where the program begin, but I think I will follow up small. I want to tell the panelists that thank you again today. And no means say where anybody talk about electoral justice or he say he wants results, he means for Samura Kamara. In Samura Kamara, let him get by you. Make Salomon then continue for ask Mohamed Kone for results, and we're not go able for do 2028 correctly if Mohamed Kone not give account of what happened in 2023. That election day, Tifam and Sierra Leoneans, now we don't know say that penda we don't open. Not to sprain the foot sprain. Now so foot smell so foot now they open so. We tell Mother Bio thank you again. Once again, I will tell the panelists there plenty thank you.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from? Please reduce the volume of your set. Hello. All right. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from? You did live on We Are. You're welcome on the show.
Hello, We Are.
You did live on We Are. You're welcome on the show.
From London. I just follow the program. Yes, hello.
You did live.
So I just try to say I just follow the program and I thank you for the good work that they do for the country. You know, we currently be in a situation wherein we all get to come together as Sierra Leoneans them, and we responsibility for make the country better for we all. You know, because with generation in the camp, we got we picking them who don't born. They know what kind of country we are in, things not organized. You know, it's really sad that from 2023, when we get an election, up till now, we talk about election. You know, it's really disheartening. We're not for the political situation there again. We don't pass the stage there now. Other countries they go before. Look Burkina Faso, you know, they do very well. The president they do very well. So I think Sierra Leoneans, we really need to go back and drawing board and try to make, you know, let me try for see how we get them wrong and get them right and move forward as a nation. But this blame game, this APCSP business, I think they spoil the country, yeah, my brother. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you too. Hello, caller. You welcome on the show. You name and where you call me from. Hello. All right. Hello, caller. You name and where you call me from.
Sam, I call from US.
You welcome on the show.
I just want to tell Mr. Okay. I just want to tell Mr. Imran Ajalo, thank you. And also, I asked, also will go able to get the case in document them. Then also, I want all Sierra Leoneans and make them join Pajalo and Mr. Imran, the network, when a redemption network broadcast TV, we get a lot of information about the political history. Thank you, Bible.
God bless you. Hello, caller. You name and Usai you they call me from, please.
Hello, caller.
Reduce the volume of your set, please.
I talk to Grandpa. I get message for Grandpa. Now we need to talk again for electoral justice. We talk about we nation, Sierra Leone. We don't vote the last time, then don't thief we election. How confirm say we will vote again, then not thief we election. Then the second thing I want to ask Grandpa, then they go and protest na different states, different side, waiting at the outcome for them protesting day. Even when we fight for justice or whatsoever, we want to know the outcome. If waiting something good come out or not. Then second, and finally, waiting, whose assurance we say Salon Judicial and Judiciary they don't take sheep. That people have to go court and go do something way not to the government with the controlling. Now that's my question that I
Thank you. God bless you. They will respond to you later. Hello, caller. You name and where you call me from.
Hello, I call from Vision.
You welcome on the show. Please reduce the volume of your set.
Yeah, do please ask for Mr. Imran and Mr. Jallo, do please let them sit down. Full, let them forget what we. Let them not give me another waste time again. They don't they all along them sit down and they're not they like to be but Tripartite or this or that. Now we did before we think about 2028 election, and now then they can't tell you say this law, that law, this law. We just tell you go thank you no more for that guy yesterday. Okay. We they tell you about the educated guys there, where we can say them all na so big food. So they continue for tell thank you to that guy yesterday.
Hello, caller, you get me? Hello, caller, you get me?
This country, now then they want. No pet case.
Caller, you get me?
Hello.
I thank you.
Listen to
caller, you get me? Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, you get me?
Yeah.
You say who side them people have been don't sit down where they not fight for electoral justice? Okay, sorry.
Internet.
Internet and waiting. You know the question for me. Look, I don't know. You get right to your opinion. But you say na salon person. If now other salon people choose for Grab, what you be done they do? The same question go back to you. What you be done they do before this term? We all get responsibility as salon man for do something. Let's make case for now. Go to the call again.
Hello, caller. Your name and where they call me from?
Good evening. We had a call from Southern Europe. They give me name Tilemina Sankara.
Sankara, you welcome on the show.
Okay, una good evening. Una thank you for the program. Now I'll just go quickly because I'm not the permit we for express yourself. Do you I want let we just as we elders then dip and talk this night, Mr. Imran and Pajalo, let we find a solution to the problems of Sierra Leone. Now we come together. If we sit down, we say they do violence between APC and SLPP, the problem not is solved. Now we go to the real issues, the ECOWAS court, the AU court, and the International Justice Court. If we do so, the problem of Sierra Leone will be solved. So they admonish all Sierra Leoneans and say, let we all come together. Don't forget both APC and SLPP, let all come together, north, south, east, and west. Let all come together that will form a formidable force. Let all come together and sign a petition against what don't happen on the 24th of June, 2023. This time you take. Una thank you. Thank you.
God
so
bless
much.
you. Hello, caller. Your name and where you call me from?
Hello?
You're live on Weird.
Hello?
You're welcome on the show.
Yes. Hello?
Please reduce the volume of your set.
Yeah, you won't put an offset.
Thank you.
Yes,
Go ahead.
how now they do?
We tell Allah, thank you. How you yourself?
This time, boy. It's fine. This time, boy. Yeah, I want to say thank you to Mr. Imran and Pajalo. I want to thank you for the representation and let our voice continue for stand. You see, this is the blame game where Sierra Leoneans they get every day. The man where they can't ask who side them people are in there, where they can't talk about election, electoral justice. They don't see all from all these things done there on a salon after the election. Where the empire they up and down. Then they up and down from one state to another. They protest, they write up, they can on social media, they talk. Now today they can't accuse them, say outside them in there. Now the blame game this way Sierra Leoneans then get. When somebody can't talk something for let we all put hands together, Lord we fight, before that they can't criticize. If they don't can accuse this, they go face can this one here. So how we go before? We're not can't talk about APC or SLPP. The problem with it in salon now for every one of we for love get unity, for every one of we for love get rights, for fetch waiting, mother one for take now with hand. Nobody no go sit down and say, okay, let's make a sentiment for let mother then a power and call out for 2028 election. The one way they on floor force and the destruction they happen in our country. People they need to think about that day. They need to think for that they how go get rid of all these bad politicians that within the country. But then they can't sit down and they accuse people. Imran not a politician. Now a Sierra Leonean, Mr. Jallo na Sierra Leonean. The place where they need a comfort zone. Whether they go salon or not go na salon, they need a comfort zone.
Thank you. God bless you, my sister.
Now for we all come together.
Of course.
We fight for the justice. The election will not occur. We want the results.
Exactly. And Kone for Giam. Thank you. God bless you. Hello, caller. Your name and where you they call me from? We tell Allah, thank you. How you yourself?
I call from Riyadh. I want to tell the panelists plenty thank you, Mr. Imrakan and Mr. Jallo. Thank you very much. I just want to ask you a question. See, if I get a way for make a petition, if that will be possible for the Sierra Leone people, let we all make a petition because this one also, as we talk about, it's not about SLPP, it's not about APC. It's not for the life of the country. The life of the country, now una for and we all get una for now make sure say the generation to come, they're not gonna enjoy what they endure so. Now look, the brain dead, and they go to the Sierra Leone. The youth they perish. The youth for tomorrow they perish. So we are before we have to that. Now we get a petition as a begin also. We did now. We did support now. Until now we get a justice for the Sierra we need. If you go vote, even though they're the Western wall, when you vote, only they are the public. I remember how they go cast me votes. They tell me, they sent me address. When you understand and understand, believe me. The next Saturday they vote, within next Saturday, before the results will come out. We know the results we want. But tomorrow and by then, not be to the person. Because we just continue. That's what will happen, and Salon also will go. We don't get nothing at the end of the day.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. You rest to time. Hello, caller. Your name and side they call me from.
Oh, how are you?
You're welcome on the show.
Hello, we are. Yes, thank you. First of all, I want to thank Sengepi for where he interrupted right there, and that I expect you as well. Some of them questions that when they ask, we know say people them get right to their opinion, but it can debunk some of the questions, some of the things that when they say. Sengepi, you did the right thing. The last caller, Wusa Ibn Sidom. If somebody don't team up for let it fight for waiting right for the nation, we expect you as a moderator as well. Not only for let you all for the listen to what they say and left hand to the panelists. You can debunk most of their questions also because we get time. When I get time, when I allocate to them people there. So if you don't debunk them, you go allow another person who is sensible enough where they bring something where irrelevant to the discussion. So I want to say thank you so much to, the two parties, whether I don't know how many of them, but I pray that God will give them the wisdom that they will continue to fight for waiting and believing for the nation. People are dying, people are really, really suffering. So at this point, we want to empower you. Bible, anybody will come up with anything so far way, relevant. Please debunk that person because we work with time. We are always allocate like 1 hour. So if the 1 hour part, we are put all the callers them. And then the one in a way one for with sensible thing and not able. Like I say, all man gets it right for let's say something. But you are going forward, may I ask that you be able to step in and cancel some of the as you don't begin to nonsense,
all
cut
right,
them off and continue.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. Hello, caller. Your name and side they call you, sir.
From the hello.
You're welcome on the show.
Hello. Yeah, I've been just want to ask because Imran and them been don't go so many places for go left letter then at the egg. Then get that money, then go Ethiopia, then go here, then go here. Waiting at the result, waiting at the outcome. Because at the same thing and they can't back, so now they say that they're going to ECOWAS court. Waiting at the outcome of all the letters they would have been not sent, all them protests they would have been don't do. And when they can talk, say this is not about APC, not about SLPP. It's about them. It's about us. It's about Sierra Leone. They are all Sierra Leonean and they are all involved. And for me, this now, how they call them, collective effort. So we get for put a collective effort back for now we get Sierra Leone we all one time. So now inclusive, please, no, they say it's not about them. It's about all of us. Because APC and SLPP, they are not, they're not from Timbuktu, Istanbul. They are from Sierra Leone. Now, me don't take that. Thank you. So
thank you. God bless you,
please
ma.
tell me what's in the outcome.
All right. We did take 5 more calls and come to we guess them. Hello, caller. Your name and side they call you from. Hello. All right, caller, you mute your call. You mute your call. We'll take 4 more calls and come to we guess them for response to some of our concerns them. This now we are going to bring you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hello, caller. Your name and side they call you from.
Yeah, the call from we had. My take is this: is that I think this is too kind of redundant now. And I applaud the effort, but I also wanted to know that this case done they already in ECOWAS, you know, new. Because that can mediate the conflict, the tripartite. And also one thing you said, I know say also the mistakes that currently in Ukraine, we then call for peace talk. Zelensky say if Putin or Kandi, you know they go party talk. So that shows seriousness. And then therefore we don't do. The electoral justice is necessary. I applaud the effort, but at the same time, look, we done that. Now 2 years don't pass through. Where are we going? And I understand that they try because they'll need results for the next future things. But I believe ECOWAS get with case. So then go there, it's nothing new that they're going to fight for. It's something that's already there. And that's what I make it redundant. And I don't think it's going to have a productive result. It's going to have the same wait. So I believe, say, if they lessen the effort in terms of trying to confuse people or relaxing from confusing people, because that's what I see, then there will be less tension within this political party. Like what our last lady say not to say people not to buy, say people are APC. It's really about them because they are the one that causes this problem. So the thing they can do is that moderate the noise and try to create peace so that then the next election will come around. At least we will able to have some kind of a moral compass or with trace.
All right.
You know, and that's just my contribution.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. We'll take 3 more calls. Hello, caller. You name and where they call me from?
Yeah, hello. I call from Wiyad.
You're welcome on the show.
Yeah, my question to the two guests is okay. I understand the other man says Sierra Leone we doom, which is a perfect true. But the main thing we have to put to we all now how we not go this not go repeat again. What would the pass? So waiting at the plan going forward. I need to try for say look forget about waiting don't happen. But waiting at the plan now going forward, other than the people where we feel say go emulate them people there where they instead where them same people there where at the APC now they're all because now the mentality of people again now say okay we don't pull SLPP make APC come and are the worst mistake now they would make. So how people they begin get now a fine people or fine leader them will go able for change this because the problem here what they see it's like there is no light. It's like we when they do well Bible SMGP, but I feel the pain say this thing for just a continue and when Nigeria get for going vain. So how the man they already come up or they do them things I know they see their responsibility, but how we are going to bring come idea now going forward? Other than the people that will can lead we. Because until we begin get them people and then these people will get this set of people will get when APC SLPP. Then go begin to get some fear in them, say, okay, this is not about we anymore. But right now the people already fixed it. Now them no more we abupa. So now the problem and thank you.
God bless you, my brother. All right, scholars, then we'll take 2 more calls. Well, before that one, don't forget to say June 28th, this 2025, inside France, Strasbourg City. Come and party with Weird. Come and meet with Babure and Sembepierre. Come make we share love. Come and support we because the show now a fundraising show. We mean say after the show, one for see how we double up with studio and for put smile a few people in face. Get your ticket now from Babure. Get your ticket from Sembepierre. 100 euros. Everything there inside. Now they you they eat. Now they get free tickets to work at the whole Strasbourg 24 hours. Supports the movement. They take 2 more calls. Hello, caller. You name and where you they call we from?
Yeah, hello.
You they live on Weird.
Okay, this Ishmael they talk from the US.
Ishmael, welcome again. Go ahead.
Yeah, what they try for say, Mr. Imran T and Pajalo, let them just go ahead with it and they do. Mortal man them the way then then just try for Puel. This Salomon mentality this. If you not able make less soup sweet, not try for poelam. If you know say no sabi talk, no can inside na the group. For make any comments against people where they try for sensitize people there, for let them educate them. And they tell Imranti, Mr. Jallo, plenty thank you. Utuna we don't accommodate them for let them can't tell we. Some of we know what they go on. Me know what me go through or I go for chieftaincy. So Lord just stop it. And thank you now very much, yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, we'll take the last call. The last call. Hello, caller. Hello, caller. You name and where they call me from. Hello. Hello. All right, we'll take one more call and come to we guess them. Hello, caller. You name and where they call me from. Go ahead and make your point. You're welcome on the show. You're welcome on the show. It is live.
Yes, sir. Adeba supporter. New contribution what they give to them people there. Mr. Imbra, you don't say would they be give you confidence. I remember the time for the election, the campaign. Would they can discuss now we had the corrupt in almost not this year. Would them back? Let them do their efforts because some of you don't me, I know it's tell nobody like we don't the issue there. We hold in us alone now. Anything we they go on now, we're ready for beer. If they're able, we they tell them thank you. Or if they're not able again, we will they beer. Because the water would say, we saw wool, not the wool. Then they all they don't confuse with that. Tonight they read and say, we say the international, they thank you, so this and that. Mother Bill, they don't get a pardon. They don't think then they don't give it. So we you don't tell. Learn on like by you. Really are the big una. Are the by one for this now. Don't say small. So now my contribution than this.
Thank you. God bless you. All right, family members, you want to tell una plenty. Thank you. As una don't come on the phone for give una own concerns them. Now we they come back to we guess them for make the address some of una concerns them on the phone. Mr. Jallo and Grandpa, this is not a concern of we family members them. I send them back to una for make una respond to some of them concerns them, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate the concerns where everybody express, even the one them who una feel say, not they in favor of what you want to do. That shows that we are beginning to build the spirit of democracy. Democracy is about giving people their right. And I'll go try to answer the questions one by one because they're plenty. And I don't categorize them into certain groups. First and foremost, I want everybody know, say, the Institute for Community Progress, not a political party, now a pressure group, and it is registered internationally. We not just representatives. We get big man them behind we. Secondly, when we say this is not about APC and SLPP, what they make we talk that the Sierra Leonean anything we start and they take and now begin polarize because the political class don't succeed for put we inside brackets. If you are not APC, you are SLPP. I am here as a Sierra Leonean, not as APC or SLPP. And what would they discuss now? Not about Samura Kamara. Samura Kamara started the issue of electoral justice and get your own approach. We've been wait for certain things for come in place because we want to deal with them in a more professional and legal way. One thing what we subscribe to in we group is that we not believe, say, that violence will change Salon. We believe, say, legal routes and they for follow. If we not follow them, we not go get the results we want. And some of them we don't talk here today, it take we time for research them. One of the things to make we not get results in Sierra Leone, we not the research, we not the find out. Today we are talking now, but somebody tell you say that man not a lawyer, not so. I mean they quote legal things them. That I shall do me. And one speaker say, well, ECOWAS nobody's case. Yes, ECOWAS nobody's case, but ECOWAS court is open for everybody for take a case. And we are taking a case to the ECOWAS court on behalf of the people of Sierra Leone as prescribed in Chapter 2 of the Constitution of Sierra Leone, which say sovereignty belongs to the people. APC, SLPP then do tripartite. The people of Sierra Leone are not satisfied with what they got. So we are taking the next step. Some people then they say, well, what thing will be the result if we go to court, it will take until thy kingdom come. Yes, it will take as long as possible. But the fact is, if we not take the steps here for correct what they go wrong for 64 years, then now we expect is wrong for go on for the next 640 years. But if we begin to take steps now, it will be checks and balances. And that is what we are doing. We're not go to court for make them go jail Julius Madabio. We're going to court for make we get justice for the people of Sierra Leone. If Julius Madabio commits a crime against Sierra Leone, that's a different case. The people of Sierra Leone have a right to take another cause. We will own cause now for ensure say this dagadege when they do with elections, let do so now. Let do so. Not to matter be begin them. Me are small, I see them they do am na salon. APC they make one party election and they beat people them. Now the process still they continue. So now let we find a way, let it stop. So picking, and they're not going to the same nonsense. Then countries here who all run countdom, they're not just grab and develop overnight. Now, learn from their mistakes, then correct their mistakes, then take them steps here where they take so for ensure say things not they repeat themselves. And we're not do it with malice. As a matter of fact, I once said this, the ultimate aim of this movement, now for make we get a government of national unity, we go sit down, then look at we constitution, look at this, look at that, then put we in a shape where all this go end. And I want to assure the Sierra Leone public, if we achieve our objective, none of you will see me there. You know why? Men are radical. They wait till they come, they begin to do nonsense and they come back. I like a die radical, it no matter. We have to have people to instigate change, my brother. Yes, we took time to take action. But several reasons there. One lady said they don't protest. Yes, we don't protest. Protest, everybody get right for protest. But protest is not a legal procedure. It's just a right. The way they go protest to, he go listen to it and say, okay, I go help you for take action. But if you not take the legal cause, you know they take action because not to get power in a country. You not get sovereignty. Several people they don't blame the international community not taking action. They cannot take action. You know why? The political parties they want for take action as they're complacent. You cannot remove a government to replace them with another till we're not the work. So if the citizens of Sierra Leone are ready, let them come behind us. We are going to ask for certain redress and rights. Then at the end of the day, let we get a government of national unity. we go comprise of all the political players. One speaker, one caller asked, say, almost party been in a parliament. It no matter. A political party that is registered has the same right as a political party that is elected. Until that party is deregistered, you cannot stop the party's views from being heard. If now 4 members have been at the party, then 4 people they the electoral rights and the electoral justice, it matter. It matter. It's not about who that in a parliament, it's about who that register for a political party. We need to begin review the way we understand things in Sierra Leone because na data see. It's easy for put things in box and categories. If we say they put things in box and categories, the same old big as 9 continue. But what I go say in final analysis, this is for the people of Sierra Leone, about the people of Sierra Leone. It's not about Samura Kamara. It's not about Julius Maada Bio. It's about a process to safeguard the democratic rights and privileges of the people of Sierra Leone. Because where these rights are absent, nothing else works. I will hand over to him.
Thank you very much, sir. Grandpa, over to you. Waiting for your response.
Well, I am really delighted. The questions and way people are asked, as Pajalo say, productive in a sense. We know, and it don't confirm to we, some of the problems and what we face now with country. This thing called ignorance. You see, some of the questions and ways some man can ask, it show you why people in the field exams in Sierra Leone. Because if they ask you geography questions, you can't answer them with chemistry answer. Geography and chemistry, not to the same thing. If they ask you biology question, the answer na biology answer. You cannot answer biology answer with literature answer. It not a work. Some man come say, Usa we be there. I be done there with weird. And they make me audio them. I go United Nations. We'll go United Nations, Security Council, call Sierra Leone. I go na ICC, the chief prosecutor, go Sierra Leone. I participated, we go na the European courts. We did all of that. After what we don't do, all we work. What do we see? Minkailu, sit down inside APC office. He tell the whole world, says, Sierra Leone no get plaba. Then what happen, he fine. Then he go 2028. That was a kick. Now we all face this. But some people then get political party addictions and obsessions. Those who support APC know they do wrong. Those who support SLPP know they do wrong. Me and my brother, we can and Wunana we had, what we put before, now we country. Electoral justice, now get nothing for do with Samura. It gets something for do with the well-being of every Sierra Leonean. Because we constitution give we all rights for vote and for be voted for. And one loud way universal, when a God-given right, then call them autonomy. What's in autonomy? The right to choose. Poor man get rights for choose. Gentleman get rights for choose. Full man get rights for choose. And one of them, autonomy, then they now income about what's in called elections. Every man at Sierra Leone, Bende, Timni, Limba, Krio, Soso, Manika, Yalunka, we all get right for choose who that go be with leader. If we come out, we don't choose with leader. They can give we something where we know choose. We have the right to ask a question. That has nothing to do with Samura. Samura is a victim, just like all of us. Samura voted too. Everybody in our country, one man, one vote. Nobody not get 3 votes. Nobody not get 4 votes because Bible if I pass me, then get 4 votes. No. Bible get 1 vote, Imranti get 1 vote. Everybody get 1 vote. So we go vote. That vote say what we vote. We vote for we get we leader. The people we suppose for run we elections.
they get rules. Waiting for follow. They rule them, they not follow them. They rule them, they breach them. Right before we all face. We fought. Some of us, we fought past the politician. Not so because I'm a politician. Not because I don't tire for Kanka and Gande na other man country. Give me fine country, fine beach. I can't sit down here. Not so glady and glady. And say that trouble make monkey eat pepper. When we talk, some man can talk, say, Usa will be there. I have done a lot. And Sierra Leone can speak for me. And I am one of those people who publicly, we had go be a me witness, where I talk, say, with tripartite. I said, tripartite is not a pregnancy. Una allow we unite. Una allow we all come together. I try for galvanize we had. I try for call everybody na the country, all the bloggers, they say, una allow can get one word. This tripartite na pregnancy. Just like real pregnancy, we don't know who's kind of picking and they can born. I say, in case na disabled picking, if we don't organize ourselves, we don't plan. If them born picking were disabled now, we go able for take care of the picking. Una not listen. Una not hear. Because sometimes, waiting big man they see where is it on a ground, picking the claim up mango ticket, you know they see him. I said it. I say una allow come together. I say una allow organize. This tripartite. I say na pregnancy. Law organize. We don't know which type of child go be born. Well, now they don't born disabled picking. The picking no get nose. He no get eye. Now some man say na Gina. Some man say no na Rosho. Some man say na that. But the reality is, we as Sierra Leoneans, we are never a people where they work in a community of Sierra Leoneans. All man get in own box. Timni man get their own, Mindi man get their own, Creole man get their own. Then political party they under, region they under, clan they under. Then you get schools then. You get all kind of organization. Everything then as Sierra Leone, where now a small unit. But nothing is Sierra Leone. Unallow we come together. This is not about Samura. This is not about APC. Not to Samura get electoral justice. Elections na a component of democracy. Democracy na a menu. It gets accountability, it gets transparency, it gets free press, it gets a judiciary, it gets executive, it gets parliament. It gets a lot of things in that menu, and all the things that then are with responsibility for that make sure say then they. As for the man where can talk for say ECOWAS already nobody case, it just expatiates ignorance. ECOWAS get 3 organs. It gets the authority of head of states and government. It gets councils of ministers. It gets the executive secretariat. It gets the tribunal. It gets the technical special commission. The tribunal, now in the court. If you don't go there with a complaint, with a summon, you don't have a case. ECOWAS not just they take case for themselves. It is not their jurisdictions. It is there. Now, Sierra Leone and get for go lay complaint. So far, we not go lay complaint. It's me, brother. You don't beat gun. You don't talk now for say, ECOWAS already know. No. The authority of head of states, of governments, they know. Councils of ministers, they know. Because we see whether Liberia man they talk, say, we have to change the law them 6 months to the elections. It is illegal. It is against the ECOWAS waiting. We see all of that. But when push comes to shove, when all the other things they don't feel, people then get for organize themselves and go lay complaint. And who said they go lay complaint? Not to the authority of head of state, not to the council of ministers, not to the executive secretariat, not to the technical special commission, not to the tribunal. Una go put una case. Unala we left for the kind of public with the kind of expatiate ignorance. It's wrong. It's wrong. We country get big penda. Then be tell you for saying explain the food plane. One good thing when Mother Bio do, don't can pull the bandage. Now we don't see big penda. And Sierra Leone, as how we did so now, we already done for them. And when you don't for them, you didn't grown. You know they for them, pass you don't for them. Now grown now you did already. You only done flats now grown. Now the only way now up. And how we go up, we get for dust we save. And come to the realization, see, this pendaya we for treat them. We for men them. We men that pendadi. Then all the people that we cause this pendaya, we identify them. We deal with them. Then all the other constipated elements, them, whether amongst we, where they give we unnecessary weight, we give them purge. We don't give them purge, then we can ascend now to glory. But we cannot go up with all that virus, with all that corrupt elements then they. As I say, some of we work. We go all over the world, the campaign. We spend with your money. We go away from we homes, the comfort of we homes. After we don't do all of that, Minkailu, Sido, before the whole world. All the complaints that we don't go lead, all the letters that we write. He said, nothing not wrong, all is well. The only small problem what we get, now the proportional representation. That they bring one Munku MP, we can join them and the Kalukalu. Then he talk for say we not get Koskas. The international man wake up. He said, you sure? He said, yes. People they wonder, what to make nothing not happen? Nothing not happen. How something go happen? Where you will get your case? The people that where they try for mediation, then come for Kaka House now. How far? How far una don't go? He said all the things that we want to implement, we are not implementing them. We ask the president, say, if we don't go meet them, for long now implementing there, and say, we are not go, we are not right, we are not take part. What thing they happen, APC? Minkalu say, now because we not get plava, we just go on 2028. You know, that was a stab. Now some of us, you know, now be an abuse, now be a kick, now we faces, now we teeth. So many say to Salon people, una not look far, una look under una foot. The very people that were supposed to protect una. Like for instance, what I talked earlier, we territorial integrity being violated. Guinea don't cancel with country. The people that were supposed to protect we. Now we government and the army. Where are they? Guinea bring iron rod. They not say nothing. Guinea bring cement and sand. Then beat block. They not say nothing. Then build a whole barracks. They not say dondo. But if me talk, Mother Bio can't him up na Jama, he talk for say, I go give una bullets for bullet. Why you not go give Guinean and bullets for bullet? Then get the Attente cordial where Britain and France sign for that land day. Where then give we Kailahu, we give them Konakiri. We have to do a program on that because we don't do the right check. Because before 1885, Sierra Leone not be exist, Guinea not be exist, Gambia not be exist, Ivory Coast not be exist, Senegal not be exist. Now after 1885, now in some arrogant European and go sit down at Berlin, they shape Africa like mango. I remember what we small, we go pick mango, where we come, we sit down on that tick, we begin to shape up. Now so they shape Africa. And when they shape up, they not think about with territorial integrity, they not think about with cultural values, they not think about how it go affect with families, how it go affect with tribes, like Gisi, then they Guinea, then they Sierra Leone, then they Liberia. Bangura, there, Bangura, there, Bangura, there. Jalo, there, Jalo, there, Jalo, there. We scatter all over the place, mix up the one whole place. Look at the state of the country. Guinea, Kaya, evade and violate with territorial integrity. Mother Bio the president. Now, he suppose for day before, for make sure say that it not happen. He's the head of state, presiding over we. Now, he na the commander-in-chief of the army. Commander-in-chief! If you don't say they can build a whole battalion, a garrison, now we country, in do. Now the people in there one there, some for carry mortal man them, some people them where not get purpose because some Sierra Leone not get purpose. They can't sit down and they argue for them. Well, we don't come out from that. We don't sit down, we don't do research. We don't read the book them we need for read. We don't read the law them we read for read. We get lawyers in Sierra Leone when they job that they don't fail. They not do them. Well, we don't do them. We don't gather everything. We don't put them before international lawyer them. And now, then they come, carry this thing gonna court by God's grace. But we need every Sierra Leonean to participate. Everybody, mano, umano, we want to know for participate. For once, as I be they talk today, I say tripartite and pregnancy, law we all come together. This opportunity, I put them back to everybody. Let we all come together. Let we men, we country so food. And let we all the one that we make the food rotting, we be the life we see as plain the food's plain. Let we hold them all accountable and responsible and make them suffer the consequences of their actions. Now, only when we do that, now I go get what we call deterrent. What's in a deterrent? It go stop other people and for attempts for doing kind of behavior. They are blatant disregard to sovereign rights. But we get right to choose, and that right has been violated. That is an ethical abuse of power. And we supposed for make sure say anything we're supposed to be ethical, for be moral, it's done rightly. Attire.
Thank you. I think we don't do justice to this program. Of course, family members, them when I don't listen how the program starts, I wanna come on the phone line, the comment, and how we get them respond to some of our concerns them at the phone line. I think we don't reach what's alone for make yourself can take a rest. All right, we can take a rest and don't forget say tomorrow we know they bring you cool rest. We know your favorite program, and also tomorrow by this time we go there with Abdul Kagbo, and next tomorrow we go there with we own sister Vic Fauna. Yeah, that's now the latest updates we'll get for Una. Before they left, I give me guess them one minute for tell family members them the last word and bye.
I go first?
Yes, sir.
Family members, them Sierra Leoneans, wanna thank you for listening to me. I want the Sierra Leoneans they understand, say some of them think some of we involved Panam, not because of personal interest. Now because we no one can pass now this wall, left house and property where they are lucky. Because we don't see that boku. One person at this world for left a legacy. We go stand the test of times. America, then they talk about democracy, then get all them problems, but then still they find a way through. Because some people in the past been team up say, let's make this place a democratic place. Another thing we are going to tell we all, if we're ready for solve Sierra Leone problem, now put with 10% down. Two wrongs will never make it right. This issue of, now APC talk so, now SLPP talk so, 2 years, on our law begin come out of that domain. And the only way we'll go come out there, now we research, we find out facts before we take action. A lot of things done wrong in Sierra Leone because they're not the research and find out facts. And you have to hold for research and find out facts and advice. Some people then they in certain position or not they listen to them. Because the Solomon, when you try for advice, I mean, what you think say Sabi pass me. I don't make with those how they so. Really ready for make Sierra Leone. For examine ourselves individually and understand what things Sierra Leone mean.
Exactly.
Last word Somebody be ask I go get them documents them. Una asking the peer, I go give me email address. Send me an email, I will send you the documents. Not a secret society business we they do. This is for Sierra Leone. Una, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. 1 minute, Grandpa, for round up the show. Just 1 minute.
You see, you Grandpa, I don't tell her you can't make this and that. I will beat you. You know, I want to tell we are thank you again. This time we are not to tempt for waiting. Give people them waiting, then do. You guys are remarkable. I love you so much. You see, if it be possible, I will be kissing on the screen, but no one well done, guys. As for this broadcast, what we do today, the research what we do, I don't send them to Sengbeper. Anybody wants references, they want to talk to her about you, we contact we want to share the information to every Sierra Leonean. Not to we information, now we get her. Now we all get her. But, yet again, this fate, not to Sengbeper no more get her. Not to Baibure no more get her. Not to me no more get her. Now we all get her. And the only way we will go resolve this problem, now we will come out from with cocoons. We have crevices. We have corner where we can at the center of the house. And the center of the house na Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone need we. Sierra Leone they cry for we. Sierra Leone wants we desperately for be Sierra Leoneans for once. We'll not go get a country where freedom of speech is allowed, but when you talk, then we'll seize you freedom. Then we'll lock you up. And so, 1960, where 26 people then left Sierra Leone for go talk about the independence talk. When they come, one person will say, we can't do this, we will not consult the people. We don't have 2 people in there, na Pasheki and Wallace Johnson. Check Stevens, they lock him na police station, then deport him. Wallace Johnson, then fine him. Instead, go home. There's a regional salon, they make libel law. Check Stevens, they lock him up. You not see son until they waiting. Me, when they talk now, so when I be young, why they me you? I talk. Then give me the T-beat. Sierra Leone, they know about
because
this.
Grandpa be stubborn.
And the people that will be there in power now, this very APC. This APC where I get love for, where they don't well for people, and when we team up in public, I talk for say, I don't suspend my membership until they get their act together. And at the employ Sierra Leonean, if we not like our country, this is not time to support APC, support SLPP. Then 2 parties there, they don't fail we. That day we are seeing in Kailu, he relinquish irresponsibility. That is the derelictions of duty. Before the whole world, me blood cringe. I get goosebumps. But anyway, now we come, now we they go. They say, let people in Kapu sense. They are not Kapu word. But Sierra Leone they will not let Kapu word. And if we continue for Kapu word, we will not Kapu sense. It go left pa wheel. It go left pa wheel. The one that was supposed to lead we way for build social housing, then they go buy estates in another country while una they sleep under banana leaf. Anyway, now the word that you can see. I pause.
Thank you very much to we 2 guests them, family members. Now don't forget to say tomorrow. God, G corrupt. Now don't forget June 28th for can join we for celebrate, for share love, and for meet with different family members them where they come all over the world just for 100 euros. And don't forget say that 100 euros, now they get you tickets, now they get you food, now they get a free ticket again when I transport within the city of Strasbourg where they work at 24 hours. That same 100 euros, now they we get for pinch again, we get things that we want for set up with studio, the same 100 euros, now they we watch again, we put smile now other people in face. So please, get your ticket from Baibure, get your ticket from Sengbeper. If you're not able to come, you get rights also to provide the ticket or for give you donation, anything where you want for give. For now, now so with the Lefuna, tomorrow we get Abdul Kagbo, and next tomorrow we get Vicky Fona, we get show where it can tell una about in show na ya. Well. We always like for say, we tell you plenty thank you both YouTube and Facebook, the phone line, comments, and other places I want to watch the program. Me now Bible live from the north, the warrior with the sharpest cutlass. Now so I take me time for Lefuna. Much love. We meet again tomorrow.
You're the killer with the guy with mine. From France to Saloon we rise. We create voice, you know the hype. Thought about struggle, thought about hope. We out bring truth with the help we cope. 4 years strong, we don't shine. We are not the light with the guiding mind. For the people with the give we hearts. Building bridges, playing with parts. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora, both near and far. We are now we hope, we morning star. No politics color and the truth we the see. Champion for the youth, the nation we free. With every story and every song. We are remind, we said yeah we belong. Together we stand, the journey done begin. With love and light, with victory we win. Here's to the future, breaking new ground. We are forever, we voice we sound. Yeah. You're the dealer with the guy we find. Yeah. We the talk for them, we the world forget. Education help, we no get regrets. Uniting the diaspora.